the lime. The lime for the bed now. So the lime, if you lime them out. Lime them out! Very food. So lime them out, man. Lime. Lime them out, child. Oh, Lord. Lime them out. Ay. Yeah, yes, baby. Take it too far with you. Take it far, yes, to me, man. But this thing, I drop down with my this thing. I never thought it's gonna get so much trouble to go to all this now. All of this. Yes. Shut up. Are this phone gone dead, so this never charge all the time? What the hell? No, sir. Phone dead? Couldn't be. I know my belly is full now. So, yeah, my belly full, so you know. Yeah, the belly full up. But you could tell I've been working the muscles. You could tell now that I've been doing the squats. Because, you know, I'm not wearing any waist trainer or anything. You know? Yeah, I've been trying to do a couple of squats. But my belly full now, so you can't see the work I do in the front. Because the belly's so full. That is why. Yeah. See? The belly's full now. But you can see in the back, I've been, like from the squats and stuff. You can see the difference of it a bit. No? It's natural. It's just squats. The squat. The squats making it harder and shape it up. Squats. No black market. No black market. Natural. This is no black market, girl. No black market. This is a natural market. Food me eating at the market. And the natural market. And the food at the market. Yam in the market. Dumpling in the market. Fish in the market. This is a in the market. Food in the market. In the market. And the market, food in the market. A food in the market, food in the market. And a plastic surgeon in the market, a food in the market. So me have to stand and walk it, because I food in the market. So when I say, I went your market. I say, food in the market, girl. I food in the market. Food in the market. A food in the market. A food. I say, food in your market. What is no? Shit. Oh. Right. Food in your market. 1 chair in your market. Food in your market. 1 chair in your market. Food in your market. Yo. One chair in your market. 1 chair in your market. Chair in your market. Yo, Jimmy, I find Jimmy in your house, you know. Hello. You find Jimmy in your house, man. Market. One in your market. Oh, you mean, hey, I want expensive piece of gym sitting there. And I eat it up on the market. 1 in the market. 2 in the market. 3 in the market. In the market. Oh, yeah. Find me in the market. Come on, big girl. You eat so much goddamn food, girl. You better pick that goddamn thing. With them damn big leg you got there. And you bring it up. 1 in your market. 2 in your market. Yeah. Yeah. Why? Tight old girl, you have to tighten up the hole. Tight old girl, sweet like a girl. Tight. You have to tighten up the hole. Shit, that shit burn like freaking pepper. Them legs burn, it burn like a damn pepper, I tell you, boy. They say you're getting old, you gotta draw them damn wrinkle up, girl. Don't be like those bitches, only one thing they good for. Hello. Hello. Yeah, whatever. Hello. Whatever, punk, whatever. I know. You know, it's just good to make your heart pumping. It's just good to make you feel good, you know. Yo, you don't know how good you feel to when you start working out back again. You fucking feel good. Yo, your fucking muscles like everything died and shit. I swear you died. I swear you fucking died, my nigga. People talk about you sell your soul. When you eat food, you don't work out, you sell your soul naturally. Because, yo, you died and shit. That shit is a fucking joke. You really died, my nigga. People think it's a fucking joke, man. I was dying. You see I'm breathing like this? I died the other day. Yeah, the other day I died, man. Died and shit, man. I was like, what the fuck? I'm dead? I couldn't believe it. I was like, I'm dead as fuck. I didn't know I was, dead. I realized I was dead before I, like, totally dropped to the ground. I was like, you fucking dead, bitch. I was like, fuck, I'm dead, my nigga. I can't believe I'm dead, my nigga. Y'all think it's a joke, man. I'm talking to you, man. Yo. Oh, damn, I don't want to mess with my expensive socks, though. These are my socks to wear in my shoes for the summer. I'm wearing socks, too. Come on. Yeah. So, I don't shake what my mama give me. 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 I used to shake what my mama gave me. It was a little nasty story. Now I find Jesus in his glory. I don't shake what my mama give me. I don't shake what my mama give me. I don't shake what my mama give me. The little story is to shake what my mama give me. And I mean nothing but a nasty story. And Jesus to find my glory. Shake my mama. Oh, that's a damn old story. Hallelujah. I never want to sing like that again. Like that again. You'll skin out her crotch. The man put dollar right on that. You'll skin out a red crotch. For your man to come. So man jerk off them dirty stinking cock. Round the stage and that, hot. And they smell up the old chips fat. And God, yeah, we come in a bunny down. Why? Sin. Bunny down. We all shall pay for crime. I'm telling you. It's gonna be a time, niggas. Bitch, you shut up. Let me stop this thing, you damn choke now. You shut up now, you girl. You shut up now, be yourself now. When people talking, you want to act like that. Don't act like that, man. Don't act like that, girl. I'll put something on you. Girl, I'm not afraid. As soon as I sin now, put it on your mama too. Hello, mama boo. Come on, mama. I ain't getting a loaf for a long time. I mean, all these big ass kids that don't eat McDonald's can't cook you shit. Come on, mama. Poor woman nipples were so dry. I've been soaked for so long. Yeah, I feel sorry for some of these ladies, you know what I mean? I feel so sorry for them, man. You can know they ain't getting nothing for a while. I ain't getting for a while, but I know to help myself. But some of them don't. The imagination is not as strong as everybody else. Hello. And the one in this bus here, what I say now, you got me clearly, honey. Hello, I got my own TV show. Hello. I can't. Hallelujah. Yeah, good evening, nice people, wonderful people. God bless you.
Oh, yeah, your mama was a whore. That's why you want to go and talk about whore. Your mama was a goddamn whore. You better get off here and go find some rest in peace now. I don't know where the devil put you out his asshole. I don't know where y'all come going. Hello to the good ones. Hello. Hello, love over hate always. I ain't fuck with nobody. Shit, y'all want to act into people's shit and use it when you can't spread out your big stinking pussy. What y'all want these niggas to come look at and y'all even shave your pussy. That shit got some fucking white shit on it. Look like his Christmas tree. And the snow falls some white shit on it. Hello, please, ma'am. Please, I just washed, man. Please, I'm begging you, ma'am. Just have some, a little bit of decency in with you and act like a decent human being. Thank you. Hello. Yes, ma'am. Hello, anyone can hear me if this microphone is working? Not. Oh, okay, so it's good. Hi. Good evening. Yeah, God bless you too. Big up England, Guyana, Grenada, Jamaica. You know you're my hometown. I love you no matter what's going on down there. That's my hometown. You know, I'm a true Jamaican, a real Jamaican country girl. And I find peace in fucking making myself laugh and make other people laugh. And who don't like it, go and suck dick and tell your mama suck dick, because your mama suck dick. That's how you come here as a dick sucker, like a little baby dick sucker. Your mama teach you nothing else. Your mama only teach you the whole. And fucking fuck for a pack of cigarette and to fucking draw from somebody as weed from the pipe. You walk around and give me back pack of weed for your goddamn self. Hello, don't come on here when I'm trying to make my way and try to think you could crush me. I'm not a roach. Hello. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, so, I am not here for the negative one, because the negative one, they always have a lot to say in people's business, and they suck dick until they have gaita around their throat. They never seems to understand that people's business is not their business, but they keep on fucking other people's man and fucking other niggas around, and they're not trying to do nothing. When you come out here and speak the truth, it hurts them, and some of them don't like you, but you said, you know what, if you don't like me and I don't know you, I don't have to like you too, because I don't even know you, so it doesn't matter. Hello, you know what I mean? How somebody gonna come and say they don't like you and you don't even know them? You don't even know who don't like you, much as to say what the person look like and much as to know them. So it's like a waste of time to like really hate me, because I have no clue who you are and what you look like. And that's a fact. And that's a serious thing, when someone could hate you and you don't know what they look like and you don't know nothing about it, the black, the white, the purple. You don't know shit. And he's like, how can you hate somebody that don't even know you? You're that fucking desperate to fucking, the devil must be really fucking you hard in your ass without no grease. I'm telling you. The devil got you upside it down, buddy. I had to erase my other video before, and it was so nice, the one before this, because, I realized my top was keep pulling down, and I know the haters going to take the video, and just because you don't want us to be in here laughing, and try to report it for like some part of my chest is showing something. So you know what I destroy it before the devil. See, the spirit said to me, say, see that video, stop the video, and destroy it, because you're going to go tell some lie on you, and so you couldn't come back on and talk to the people. So you better you lose that than lose your page, because these fuckers are sitting around like a fucking hungry sucking choke, bitch. Like they're hungry sucking choke. They go deep, I tell you. They go real deep, I tell you. They go real goddamn deep. They go deep. I tell you, they go deep now. And when I say they go deep, they go real deep now. And if you look the size of my goddamn neck, I keep telling them, black woman never made to suck that thing. Black woman, you never made for that. Some of y'all try to goggle, but some of these bitches here demon throat. Satan got their throat. It's so long. How the hell you could let something like this goes down your throat very easily and spit it right back up like it was just saliva? I don't get it. How about some tissue? Oh, yeah. That's how you know you got demon throat, because it's not natural for a woman to have something. Look, if you have something large like this get in your mouth and stuck down your throat, immediately you would need help or you suffocate to death. You will die. If a piece of food this big slot down your throat, you will die. Hello. Now, am I speaking proper English? Do you understand anything I'm saying at all? Or you just want to be a punk ass bitch? You want to be a punk ass bitch, ma'am? You let me know. And this video will be uploaded to my YouTube video, so no one upload this video. It's for me. And you want to be a punk ass. Well, it's up to you if you want to do that, man, when I'm talking. I know back in the days, the China people, they have trained the China people to have longer neck. They usually wear like this iron thing around their neck, and it make their neck very long. And so on. So I don't know if they could do the job being at the neck so long, like a garling bird. Back in Jamaica, we had some bird, they call them garling. And these birds' necks are very long, you know, they used to pick up worms and so on. We call them garling. Their neck is very, very long. So the Chinese, some of them was trained the neck to look like a garling. They wear this big iron thing around the neck. I mean, I don't see the purpose of you having a young child or anyone would wear this big piece of iron around your neck. I mean, all your life to train your neck for what? Or your neck training to be in a monitor is going to run? I mean, are you your neck training to be in some kind of race? Because it's got to be some kind of contest or some kind of stuff you're going to put your neck through. You're not just going to get up and live in somewhere where the sun is freaking hot. Okay? And you're going to get up with all this iron shit around your neck night and day. This heavy shit around your neck and to do what? That could never make you beautiful. I mean, that's fucking supplication. That's like wickedness. If God want to make you with iron around your neck, God would have made you with iron around your neck. Okay? All right? Makeup is different. You could just put it on and wash it off. But wearing an iron around your neck every single goddamn day, like you're in prison, like you're committing some fucking crime, I mean, automatically, I think something is wrong with your motherfucking brain. Or you must train it to suck dick. I don't know what the purpose is. But I know as a black woman, your neck is very short. And you cannot manage something like this unless you're demonetized. You're demonetized, meaning you got demons in you. Your tongue get very long and your throat get very deep because you're a demon. You're not a real woman. All right? Now, for a real woman to this fasten on your throat, you could die. I cannot stuck something like this all the way to my throat till it get lost. Some of these bitches stuck all the way down into the 2 balls left right here, and they stuck that into after. And you wonder how she's still breathing. How did she not cut off her windpipe? You know, so I mean, you see all kind of things in this world. That's what I'm basically saying. You know, I think, you know, quite frankly, looking at this, you know, quite frankly looking at it, I'm saying to myself, you know, this world is gone crazy, really, you know. You know, imagine what mankind have gone to. You know, mankind have gone to. For a man to take off his clothes and his skin is out like this, and he expect a woman gonna come and then use her mouth to clean his skin off. You know, it's gone to a bad point. And I'm telling you, I'm not saying I haven't done it before and anything like that, but I'm just saying, looking at this here, and just imagine it was a real and it was alive, and then you have to go and do it, you know, and you don't want to do it, and that's the problem. You don't want to do it. You know, you don't want to do it. You know, you know, when somebody's just waiting for that to be happy, then they have no sense of anything else in life. I mean, I feel like that's the only thing you want from life. What about when that stuff wasn't going on before in life? I think people was having a lot more enjoyment in life, a lot more sex. These days, I think that's something like actually kill nature. Is have something like a demonic spirit towards it. You know, I don't think it was meant to put in your mouth. It wasn't. If it was meant to put in your mouth, when the juice come out in your mouth, the juice would have been sweet. You would have been able to swallow. But some of y'all bitches still swallow because you're nasty. But what I'm saying is, you know, if it was meant that way, the juice would have some kind of nutriment or vitamins, you know, that when it goes in your mouth, goes in your body, would benefit to your, like, cure sickness from your body or whatever. But God never make it for your mouth. He actually make it for your downstairs. And that is why when you put it there, you get babies. So when you're eating babies, like you're eating eggs in the morning for breakfast, and stretching and y'all think it's sexy and it's cute fucking eating human eggs, it's not cool. I mean, y'all bitches are so greedy that you eat the regular eggs, you eat the human eggs, you eat every fucking thing. I mean, stop eating the human eggs. Stop swallowing the human eggs. Okay? Stop eating them. It's not... Some of them women I notice, they take it and they put it in their face. Say, make they look youthful, they make they look good. When the sun comes out, they're putting all that shit in their face. They smell like stinking puss when they come outside. You know? I'm trying to be decent here. Thank you. I don't want to sound like an all record all the time. Because like some people watch me, and they would like to watch me without me curse at them sometimes. So sometimes I try to be gentle as the way I can, But as I was saying, yeah. So that is the situation. People only get mad because they're mad because they can't be themselves. They're mad because they can't be high and shit. Oh, smoke some weed, they don't know how to let's relax, let it bring the trees go with you. Fuckers. I'm trying to be decent here. So like I said to you, black woman neck wasn't made for that, The black woman neck made short. It was not made for blowjobs. And a lot of these women, they go out and they do blowjobs, they get cancer in their throat, they got garter swell out in their neck, and they get so fucking big. Excuse me, I'm sorry. I'm not trying to laugh. I cry to Ross. Why? I tell her this is a gift. Because myself laugh. No, sir. But anyway. Olivet, I don't know what happened to your girl. Something wrong with you. But anyway, I swear something wrong with me, y'all. I just can't hold him sometimes. I that joke. I just can't hold him. Tears run out of my eye. Yes, I'm sorry, I'm crying. I laugh until I cry, man. But anyway, it happens all the time. When I go back and watch my videos, I laugh until I cry most of the time. Damn, don't tell my eyelash get wet with the tears and my lash gonna fall off. Shit, don't do that. Not right now, nigga. Word. Word to my mother, son. Yeah, so like I'm saying to you, right? Ah, gosh. Yeah, they swallow. And they're eating human eggs. And then they want to get nasty with you, because the brain start to react. The brain start to react over the eggs. You're eating human eggs, your brain gonna start tentacle together. Frig. God damn it. This shit's supposed to be, how much hours going? It's supposed to be dried? I did like this, and the next thing I know, I laugh till I cry. This one is wet. And then this one glued, the other one closed, but one of my eye closed. Like I'm going blind on one side. God damn it, come on now. I ain't sell my soul to one eye symbol. I ain't make no $1 million. I'm right here, man. I'm right here, my niggas. Yeah, man. Yeah, so it's like, yeah, I have to try not to laugh anymore. I laugh until I cry. But, yeah. So, in Chinese, they have the big thing around their neck. And they train their neck to be so long. I don't know where they're going and what they're going to do afterwards. Because I haven't seen them do anything with it afterwards. One and two of them might get admired once in a blue and put the beads and stuff on it and people take picture of them. But I don't see them doing nothing big time in the red carpet or in Hollywood or whatever, and so on. But a lot of white people are more white, and they have more a central neck. I love them too. And because we all are one people. That's one thing you must know. Whether you're white, whether you're black, whether you're purple, you're all one people, all one love. Don't forget that. Some people might have nasty behavior against you. That doesn't mean you're going to use that one person and eat everybody. You know what I mean? Because you meet some nice white people, I'm telling you. And I'm cool with everybody. And to cool with me, believe in one God, we're one people. That's it. But like I'm telling you, a lot of white girls have see and blue movies. And I'm talking about blue movie, hard rock blue movies. And I don't watch them thing no more because, it's like they turn me off. Because the old world disgusts me at this point. It's like sometimes if I think about it, my own skin started itch all over. All of it started bite me, sin started to get me it started to bite me already. Shit. When I think about everything is so disgusting, about shit that people doing, drinking, sperms from the thing when they ejaculate, and a woman, they both of them sharing it from tongue to tongue, right there, both of them licking it, this one licking it from that one mouth and back to the other one. And I'm saying, damn, how much demon possessed are you eating human eggs? Why you have to eat human eggs? It was made to go downstairs so you can have babies. It wasn't made for you to use the eggs and put it in your mouth like it's damn ice cream. Bitch, it's not ice cream. Get alive. You know what? I'm not going to curse. I remember I got some nice people in here. I'm not going to curse. But get alive, ho. How you going to do that? Well, how you going to eat human sperm, human eggs? And y'all, too, selling those movies need to be locked up. Because y'all selling those damn movies and people still buying them need to be locked up. The simple fact that you need to be locked up, you see the world, the way the world is going, and you see the generation that we having now. And they can go online and look up on all sort of things. And you're still buying blues and bring it in your house. And then you're left and go to bar and go out about the night and leave your kids to watch it at home. No, the kids is going to nosy and play that shit and call the next one and show it to him. And when his friends come over, he's going to show it to his friends. They're going to keep secret a little pinky finger, and you'll still bring it in your house. And on those blue movies, all these women are screaming. You can see the demons in them. Ha, ha, ha. And we have one man in the butthole, one man inside the other hole, and two men at the same time. When you look, they're sucking off another one, and their knees like a dog. And you're going to tell me say something good is in that? That is like a fucking dead. That is like a flesh that rat. That is like full of sin. It's so contaminated to a point it become trash. You don't like what I'm saying? Because you have no in touch with God before. And you have no, I'm a sinner, but yeah. Believe that. Believe that. Suck this bitch, believe that. Suck it. That's what you're good for. And some of you black girls start to pick up the habit of tucking it down your damn throat as well. And you want to say you're better than a whiter girl, so you go ahead and you start to go deep throat. And you're like, we're going to go deep in the throat, deep throat. Yo, motherfucker, I do deep throat and da-da-da-da. Cursing, bitch, I got your man. I deep throat your man. You deep throat the man, but her man, dick was in her vagina before you deep throat him. So you also deep throat her. You forgot. Hello. Some of y'all are not going to like what I'm talking about here tonight. Because y'all love sucking dicks. Y'all just love sucking dick. It's like a hobby, like a cigarette. Let me suck it, man. I just gotta suck it. I just gotta have it in my mouth. It's like my lifesaver. Please let me breathe on it. It's my hair. Y'all didn't think about praying to God. So when I talk about these stuff, y'all don't want to hear it. These are the shit that contaminate your damn kids. Not what I'm talking about. What I'm talking about is real shit. Is what y'all fucking in front of your daughter. Fucking in front of your son and all them niggas you're bringing inside your fucking house. As one nigga's come in your big pussy and go, he don't want no more of it to bring another one in. And your daughter and son gotta hear you crying out for your pussy while he's still big in the next room. You ain't teach his kids to have no manners. You ain't teach no kids to have no respect for themselves. You all live in the project till your mama die, you still live in the project. Your motherfucking raised in the project. The government helped to pay that shit. Your mama died. You still live in a project, bitch, and beat up with a whole bunch of kids more than your mama did. Live in the same fucking apartment. And what you did, you're bringing different niggas to suck their dick. Y'all is a real dick sucker, I tell you. I don't know why y'all ever said women always like to suck dick so much. Y'all don't want to work out to try to exercise it. They suck dick, nobody feel like they're better than you. Talk about, bitch, you suck my dick, you fat ass bitch. They always say that at the end. They always say that at the end. You know that. You fat ass bitch, you suck my dick, fuck you. In an argument with this motherfucker, you have to be careful when you have an argument with. So these motherfuckers don't want to blow your spot up, you know. I tell you, man. I tell you. Fucking niggas that are good. That bitch got the fuck out of here, you suck my dick. Fuck. I tell you, you gotta be careful whose dick you suck, man. You gotta get somebody that, like, if I suck a dick, man, you ain't gonna tell nobody. I'm telling you. Straight up, I'm crying again. Oh shit, I just farted. I needed that because I'm crying too much. I'm not sad. I'm crying till I laugh till I cry, man. Because, you know, some real shit, you know. Yeah. You fucking suck a nigga dick and you love that nigga like, damn, I want to suck his dick, but I don't tell nobody, you know what I mean? Because that's what the world turned you into, a dick sucker, man. You fucking your ass and you suck dick. That's what the new world order, that's what it is now. You ain't know yet, bitch. You better get in line, get your ass greased, let's go. Shit, yeah, the hole you get popped in nowadays is still good. Don't think on the pussy alone, it depends on nowadays. Everything goes, but Lord help you. Only the Lord can help you, child. Only the Lord can, I tell you. The world make me cry, my nigga. I tell you, I think about some shit, though. The world is going. And some of these bitches are still going on Murray looking for the baby father. How many years that man been running that show? How many years he been running that damn show? Oh, God, I'm laughing till I cry, man. I'm sorry. I have to cry, man. You know, when I think about life and the situation, you know, I laugh till I cry. Thank God I can laugh until I cry, and I cry because I want to cry. You know what I mean? Oh, damn. I was trying to... that's sitting in my nose. I'm going to blow my nose, because I should back my nose and sneezing it back out. No, man. The one that ate me, yes, the one can take me. Why did you come? They want to snake me. Flying high, ain't no turning back. Yo, flying high. This is stupid to remember, so I don't have to make my chair strong. Come on, hurt myself so more. What's the funny about so? I don't have to make strong. And you, what's when I sitting here for no weight? I don't know if it's a good idea, you know. I'm sitting here. I'm still up in my butt. I'm strong at this. Oh, deeper. Oh, deeper. Yo. No. Flying high, but man can't slow me down. Flying high, me and a dopey in a gown. Flying high, but man can't hold me down. But man can't hold me. God alone him can console me. So they even want to stop me. Oh. Get the body getting thick and round. Get it looking like you got injection pound. Cause you're looking real round. You have to exercise, make the body come sweet. When them see me have the sugar, me say underneath. Oh, if I miss it on the thing, I make the thing squeak. Oh, we have to keep it clean. Keep it clean like a magazine. Oh, girl, me tight like a 13. Oh, God, I don't know this thing. Except for me, I feel like you might just bust and get away and drop me to the bottom of the chair. You don't know me now. You don't want to take my chance, you know. Alright, can't see. Can't see but if I can't see, doctor. Oh, I want to actually put a turn up on, but I move the light. There's something that's too right, you know. Yo. Yeah, yo. Oh, I'm a drop. I know I'm a drop, don't. Yo, we are talking about the thing I turn up, you know. Turn up. Make this it and turn up. Make this it and turn up, girl, turn up. Wind up your body, girl, turn up. Broke out and dance, make them burn up in the place. And me say, turn up. Me say, girl, it's sexy, I must turn calm here. Who ya talk to Punsy, cause me nice and clean. Remember when you're manga, you never have nothing. You used to skinny walk around like a olive button, make your chicken back soup. Now you look like something. I never know I'm a chicken back soup. I make you fat so cute. You never know I'm the chicken back soup. I'm the chicken back soup. Some girl manga look like them have rat disease. When you check it out, I want the chicken back soup. Chicken back make them body come fat. Girl look like she a ants body, that a chicken back.
Chicken back soup. Chicken back soup. Yo, everybody superstar. Hold on, my youth. Hold on, Hollywood, where they go? Hollywood, we said this year, my youth. Yo, hold up, my niggers, man. Hold up, my dogs, man. Yo. Hey. Yeah. There goes again, man. Yo. Yeah. You know. And the girl never talk to me. I mean, God bless this Whitney. I never talk. Oh, it talk to me. Oh, God bless you, God bless. Talk to me. Cock up your body, girl, you know you can't whine. What's a girl, cause you know what's you're tight in the wet slimy slime. What's a wine, girl. I'm tired now, man. Bust, freaking lime. The crosses off my bed. Lime, not to the crosses. I get to make look like this to take it out. Anyway. Oh, God, I'm fine, baby, this time. You don't get to hear me dress to rest. Why? At least you can't come up and carry the rest of the rice. So left, give me space. Oh, give me space, man. Oh, Daddy. Wonderful behind the bed. Jesus. Oh, no. We can't get up to go further. Oh, this thing slide on just one big hole. Oh, the thing slide so I never expect that, man. There is really a trap in water. Jesus, the damn devil, you. You damn devil. You, stop. Daddy. Oh, Daddy. Devil, you. Yeah, it's so right. So, come back again, DJ. Let's do it rewind and come again. And me a one nice girl from Dunga Gully. You know Gully, but me say nobody. Come on, no man. Oh, fuck is this? What a rat. What a rat wrong with you, boy. Me mother will. Yes, Mom, I know you're watching. So what? I don't care anymore. So what a rat, boy. Fuck is this, eh? Hey, here, have it. I don't need it anymore. I used to use the plastic one like this until my all sore. Smell like old tall carrot, and road. Old carrot, tire, road. They came speaking that old language and wouldn't take everything from you. And everything give back it. The fucking computer and stop you and fucking talk shit. You fucking say one language right. It's fucked up. Nobody noticed that shit! Bitch! Yo, I want doing that shit to me. I fucking want to be a celebrity? Come. They clown your scunt ass, you know, and put you away, you know. You're not no girl. You stay the thing I saw, no. Where you have, how much follower, how much money, you have $1 in your scunt, you know. Just so, boy. Just so, eh? I love it, Trinidad. Big up yourself. Trinidad and Tobago, big up on our mother's self, yes, eh? I love y'all, yes. You're my supporter and y'all love me. I love y'all too, yes. My biggest supporter is from Trinidad, you know. And they say Trinidad don't like Jamaican and they know I'm Jamaican. That's some fucked up lie, you know. Y'all must have fuck with the people in some fucking way or the other, oh. I know involved in this thing, you know, sister. Don't bring me inside of this shit, eh? All right. Yes, but I telling you, just so, boy.
I used to have a friend, her name was Earl. I think I seen that it's a Earl Peterson the other night. I said it couldn't be Earl that I know. That lady, my friend, who, my sister, I tell you, I don't want to go to Africa again, Go back, go somewhere, Yes, child. The last man from Africa, him was from Nigeria. One of them was from Guinea. And one of them was from Ghana. And I never remember where the other couple of them from, to tell you the truth. But I've been through a lot of them. One of them was from the family, was a Congo. Was a Congo. And one next one, his family was what? I forgot, they call the Fulani people, the Fulani them. They know a lot of black magic, Yes, boy, the boy could read my mind. You see, boy, put something on me. Every time I had to be running up the road to give him my skunt, I tell you, the man is tricky. Fight, the voodoo man, They tricky, find no skunt, girl. You go to one of them fucking them, you end up giving them your skunt every day. You wonder why you in fucking love. Be careful, they fucking put love spell on your skunt. They're not just going to help with your problem, they're going to help themselves. Some of that good pussy you have there, girl. I tell them, motherfucker, I ain't playing with your skunt, yes? They only want to see you come and say you look good, yes? They tell you how much jumbe follow in your fucking skunt. Them have to fuck your skunt, forget after jumbe them. They got the one piece of your fat skunt, I tell you, boy. And if you tell you the story, boy, behind all them things and them, yeah, girl, I tell you, dead, yeah? Just so. Yeah, Jamaica, big up your goddamn self, me uptown, big up yourself, Jamaica. Jamaica, big up yourself. Jamaica, big up yourself. Like I said, the ackee and saltfish and the roast breadfruit and the sweet guinea them and the lot of red apple, the big apple and the small red one, the TT apple. I also sometimes used to eat rose apple. Never the fan of rose apple too much, but me still eat it sometime. And me like jumbeline. Me like the jumbeline them all the time. I'm a big fan of jumbeline and June plum. I love me some June plum, you see, child. And you see the June plum, them sweet. All the school days you go school, them June plum sweet. And when it come to the stringy mango, them and the blacky mango, them. Boy, you don't want to talk about the Neesberry and the Bombay mango and all of them mango, they sweet. All them long mango, them sweet. So till, yeah, you see, sometimes when you eat a sweet Jamaican longy mango, yes, you know what, I got to get me some Jamaican pussy. There's no other alternative because the way the mango, them sweet pan the land, you know, that pussy hairy and sweet just seems so like the mango itself. But you know, the blacky mango, them is very sweet. Yes, man, very nice and sweet. And next one, I forgot what they call that one. I used to love it. It's very foody and sweet. It's red on the side. I forget what the name of that one was. But I like that one. I like all of the mango them, you hear me tell you? And I like the tangerine, the sweet apples. Oh, gosh. Sometimes you look and see the amount of pear that fell off the tree. Big avocado pear. Nice. Sometimes wild puss come and eat some of them, you see. And the rest of them left under the tree there. Big. You just go and walk on the tree and pick up big avocado ripe. Just there for garbage. Just till it rot or if you're going to eat it. Just like that. Yes. You also have a lot of dry coconut. Coconut jelly. I keep wiping my nose. Sorry, I got a cold. I have to wipe my nose. Coconut jelly and dry coconut on the coconut tree. You can get jelly or you can get dry coconut. Sometimes you walk, you see a lot of dry coconut just lying there underneath the tree. Some of them just growing. When you look around, you see big guavas on the tree. Green guavas and ripe guavas full up on the branch. Very, very sweet. When you look, they get them hanging like flower. Pretty. Bunches like grapes of guineas, very sweet. Oh yes, motherfucker. Take a good look at my eye when I'm talking. There's a special time when I close my motherfucking eye when I'm talking, bitch. And it's for a reason. Go and suck dick if you can't see it. I have it here. Just take this and bar it for a minute so you could give my face a fucking rest. Smile for a while and give your face a fucking rest. Shake hands to the one you love the best, which is your dick or your pussy. You're gonna shake hands with them you love them the best, don't you? Fucking jerk your motherfucking self. Like I said to you, let me mellow, man. Just let me be my nigga. Let me mellow like a motherfucking bitch, nigga. Let me bellow while you wanna make me switch, nigga. You don't want me to be really mellow, nigga. Let me mellow, nigga. I ain't playing no game like this. Bitch, you wanna talk, get switch. Yo, you wanna talk, carry news. Bitch, you wanna switch. Yo, the scratch is thinking pussy. Bitch, you got an itch. The fuck you talking about? You a bitch. They say my mama never cater. I didn't mix with no motherfucking hater. I'm not gonna sit down for no time underrated. Trying for my best. Fuck you, take the rest. I don't give a fuck, but I'ma try my best. Come on this motherfucker, me you wanna test. Big up your boss, but I am the best. Second for the best, not the going for the less. Bitch, you wanna talk about. Listen now, soak up in your bras, your tissue, push up in your chest. 7 toes pound of breast sitting on my chest. Double D, bitch, wanna suck on me? Wanna talk, bitch, go and eat or stay free. I don't give a fuck, you wanna say it like that. Bitch, you wanna sit and you're double time fat. Run up your mouth, bitch, you wanna keep in chat. I don't give a fuck, cause I know your pussy slack. Ain't got no time for no game, for no hater. Get no time cause I know you a traitor. Ain't no mistake that the blessing this a come, this a no mistake. You keep 'em smiling, you think I keep 'em smiling. You see the 18, you think I keep 'em smiling. You think I waste my time, you think I waste my time. While you're sitting laughing, sitting on your fucking grind. I gotta make a dime. You go on sitting there, you're sour like your pussy lime. Yo. While I'm riding on the top, bitch, I ain't gonna stop, bitch. You wanna lab 'em out, yes, you wanna be a snitch. You never talk about how many suck a dick. Bitch, you talk about how many dick you suck. Still you sit it on, talk about you always broke. You don't talk about me, you wanna fight and touch. Bitch, it's just like a roach, and you're gonna crush. You don't talk about I don't give a cater. Cause I ain't got time to sit in front of hater. Cause when you smile and I know that you're a faker. And then they look at me just like bigger than that sometimes. Bigger than that. That is a fact. See my picture in the newspaper, read that. Bitch, you wanna keep up your mouth full of chat. Just like a lockjaw, I got the fucking lock. A cocky in your throat, you think it needs to smoke. You're sucking sperm, so you think that shit is dope. You wanna talk, bitch, your sperm will make you choke. You wanna talk, bitch, I never take a oath. You wanna go on, but I don't care. And then I go on, I never steal no brazier. In Victor's Secret, motherfucking loot. You pan coot, bitch, and in your purse they find a fucking youth. And it's a craziness the way you sell your soul. You wanna get dressed up in high price. Hey, bitch, you suck a dick, it's so nice. You wanna talk, bitch, your head full of lies. You wanna call down Jesus Christ. Let me take it to your bitch, cause you know you ain't nice. Y'all are coming like a chase. You got a slice of dick like a slice in spice. It's like an extra cheese and your pizza. You like the fucking like and suck the dick, baby, take it easy. Man, I for hold you by your braids and flip your back. Say, hey girl, can't you suck my dick? Can't you stop? All the juice is gone, bitch. Can't you see that? Then a bitch ain't got no shame, got no rearrange. And their life they live is just in the fucking pain. They keep on watching life while their life in the shame. Hey bitch, can't you see that? Me say me why like that? I me never tame. We gonna make it to Hollywood this year, cause we don't fucking care. We talk all the shit we wanna talk, bitch, but you can't get near. Listen to me, I'm a gangster, bitch, and I never fear. Who got my papers, haters? Who got my papers, haters? Pass my papers, haters. Pass my papers, haters. Pass my papers, haters. Yeah, I'm searching for the money, I don't give a fuck. So you wanna suck on my pussy, you wanna fuck? You're searching for the paper, I don't give a fuck, bitch. But they gotta suck my pussy with a special tender touch. You are 18, bitch. I don't care. Suck my pussy, make it smear up like a glass. Bitch, can't you see your life for every task? We wanna move like a snake on the grass. But listen to me now, please suck my ass. Body wash come first. Hey, bitch, you wanna talk like you have some class? Last night you suck a dick so fast. Right now you wanna tie, kiss my ass. I don't give a fuck, you better move up fast. Ain't it time for me to play the game? Cause I know, bitch, your life's a shame. You're sucking dick from the day that you came. Alright, no, you never can find fame. You wanna beat me in my fucking brain? I tell you what, this you ought to be insane. Because you know what bitch like me don't care. I play the game and I split it down fair. You see me now in my 36D and tell my own brassiere. Bitch, you talking but I don't care. Cause my jaws, it's solely, it don't have no tear. Hear me now, fuck you. Don't wanna be the one for me. I wanna be the one for you. I don't give a fuck, baby, what you do. You keep on talking cause I love you. Yo, hip hop, we run the things. Right now, like the angel spread my wing. I'm talking shit and the team talking shit. And then the bitch going like she really wanna switch. You say you love me, but you wanna change. You say you love me, you wanna play a game. You say you love me, bitch, you can't be tame. You say you love me, you wanna play the game. Sexy as can be. That a young boy want to check off for me. Hey, mommy, you look kinda swell up in the back. Well, you looking like you have a lot of stock. What you do for a living? Boy, you say you sell the crack? No way, baby, go get the next job. Boy, mad, boy, bitch, what you think? Look at you, look like you fucking stink. Because I don't want to take a couple dollars. You want to curse me, so you have mink. I don't care, boy, you gotta play it fair. Go and work and get out of here. You're selling crack for blow up the human mind? You're sitting there, you're just sitting on the grind. And selling crack to fuck the youth man mind. You want to talk like my sun is gonna shine? Always I'm a blessing on time. Cause when it's real, make it real. And it's the real and deal. I don't want no motherfucker to lie my pussy fucking me when gunshot punch off my fucking door is like steel. Never know I gotta run in my pussy in my hand. I ain't gonna let a nigga run in my shit. Hell no. Ain't no nigga gonna let me run in my pussy in my hand, man. From the gunshot. Ain't a nigga gonna let me run in my pussy, jump over no off stop. Ain't no nigga gonna let me run my pussy cause he sell crack. Ain't no nigga gonna let me run. When a nigga take off your door, gunshot start to tear down. I'ma run in my pussy in my hand. Hell no. I'ma pray to God to give me bread. Motherfucker, he don't like me, give me head. And so what? I the it to get me ahead. I the fear to me having on me head. They got me chest cause I don't give a fuck. And so my broke motherfucker get a work. And you're talking about my skin you wanna touch? Inside my pussy, yet you wanna broke. Hey nigga, you're not calling unfair. You see when in the motherfucker there. Hello? Hello? Who is call me? Who is this? Huh? I don't know who this. Huh? But I don't know you. Huh? I don't really know you. I don't know who I'm talking to. I have to call you back because I'm online right now. Yeah, I don't know who this is. We can't just come and say this is him like some me a day and me or something going on in no ways. I don't know who nobody is. But they jerk off with nobody, but they say nobody no naked picture or nothing like that. So I don't know who nobody is. If I was doing that problem, I say, okay, oh you know, or something. I'm not a fucking slut like that. I don't know, I ain't doing no shit like that to nobody. So it's nobody special no honey. So you suck on this, because I don't know what you're talking about. You want me to shove this down in your mouth. I don't know what you're fucking talking about. In your mouth. Ready now? Look how me nice and sexy. And that I beg some of them a begs me. Look how me nice and sexy. And that I them come here begs me. Can you figure on wine? Yo, it's like that, son. I ain't got no time for wine. This is hip song, hip hop, son. I ain't got no time for wine. This hip hop, son.
See, my body is strong like a stallion. Nigga wanna talk with his broadcast. Talk about his this and talk about his that. Like I could care less what he got in his pocket. Listen to me. Jai is the only one I'm listening to now. When I'm smoking some time, I get so high. I make smoke, my tears run up my eye. Because I'm saying Jai is my supply. But he didn't want to see my time, want to see me dry. But hear me now. The faking, they want to keep on faking. But I love it, keep on, you know what I mean? Yeah, I love it. I love it too. Yeah, I love it too. Somebody around the corner. Somebody around the corner. Eh? Summertime. Summer, bitch, take it out your throat. Your throat is too short to black people. Leave it to China, leave it to other people's leg, not leg, throat extension, not leg extension, throat extension. Fucking brain, you fucked up my brain. Oh God, I want this to eat me, can't do that. Oh no, oh Lord, I broke it, I was gonna eat it, you know, Jesus. I can't eat it tonight, I'm gonna use an dick for bus just like this, because I'm wicked enough, so dick for bus. I said dick for bus, I'm gonna wicked, and then when I come on. You see, you gotta share a sign, watch your guy bus. And the juice fly out tight. Yo, me I tell us, I really sign this blood clot, yeah. It bust and look at the juice fly out. Watch out. It busting and the juice fly right out tight. I sign this to blood clot. And you see, stop eat human egg, me keep telling you. It's why God trying to stop drink human egg, yo. Stop eat human egg without no bread, my niggas. And man, I drink it to an woman alone, I drink it. Man, I drink it to some bumper clot and gun. I drink it to my youth and to blood clot nasty. I'm not going to like a woman alone and fucking do. You know, I do it too. You know, someone who worse than the fucking woman, them I drink it. So don't fucking go like someone who I see and tell no one. Because someone I go like no one who don't want to no blood clot body. No one who don't know body my youth. I don't want to see someone from far. You want it more than me, trust me, but I'm not going to go say body man and this and that. I'm going to do it too. I'm going to do it too, man. Yeah, let me know. Yo. Come on. Paper chasing. Yes, a paper chasing. Paper chasing. 8 to keep on 18. We're paper chasing. Man, we're paper chasing. We're paper chasing when they 8 to keep on 18. Sacrifice blood on your tongue that you're tasting. It's like a lip piercing. There's blood on your tongue that you're tasting. They sell their soul for money and gold. You never know the demons, they be old. They talk about they're rich and they're fantastic. Oh, some days they're sleeping only in casket. They gotta play the rich and play the game. Some of y'all, they make them insane. They wanna talk, but they just can't tame. Right now, it's real shit, ain't no game. You wanna keep on chasing the papers, while them looking and them looking for the haters, yeah. Chasing for the papers, while they're fucking this to the fucking haters. While you're looking and you're looking for the papers. Because you're looking for the papers. Looking for the papers, you know you're money chaser. That's why you're looking for the paper. See the fucking eyes, yes, of the hater. They watch your life, it's just like a tater. They want to keep it in control, but now they can't stop. Because you don't give a fuck. That's why you don't sit back. While they lab at the mouth and chat. The last in the game, you're first in the game. Right already, you're riding to the number to fame. While they're living in shame, their life still in pain. Your baby girl, because you got the game. When no worry with them, because they try again. But remember the first, we used to be friends until they come knock my style. I gotta wipe you out, I gotta aisle you up, I gotta put you in your chest, make you see who's a man. Yo, sometimes I think I'm carrying a bigger dick than these niggas. Yo, sometimes I think I have a bigger dick than these niggas, man. I'm a bowl and this fool. They acting like they want to go to fucking school, my nigga. You want to go to school to learn the rule. Yeah, I know. I thought I said I was going to do it so clean. Now I end up in the sideways side of the street. What the fuck? I understand what I mean. Yeah. We don't care about the haters, man.
They're watching your life like a Chinese takeout. When they say the fuck them like a gunshot, they take out. Then that lights the life of their heart. They never real, they fake out. Just like an earthquake, the fuck up, they shake out. Oh yeah, that's it, really, yeah, really. Another fart came out. He said the fart is gonna come out my body. The fart is gonna find its way out of smarty. Yeah, cause we do this shit every day. You gotta fart and let the place spray. My nigga, it's real. That's the real deal. You never hear a rapper like that? Proper got the shit right in top, my nigga. That's how you do the hip hop. You ain't a fool like that, my nigga. You ain't a fool like that. This is how you get to Hollywood, you get to the top. Put down your guns about to pull up the shot. Make a girl suck off your cocky and wipe off the top. My nigga, I'ma tell you that's the way to the top. Be yourself, be real. Don't make them come with the real deal. Even they gonna talk some shit, shoot off it with some fucking steel. Yeah, some of them don't worry, but you gotta make $1 a buck to get another meal. And they crying out for help. But it's like 12 duppy they send come to never expel. Tell you one of them they better go to hell. I'm chilling, my nigga, I'm cool. I'm cool like a soda, my nigga. Just like a cream soda, my dog. They come in and talking their mouth full of fraud. But still I spit on the mic, I know I gotta come hard. Chew me like a bubble gum, don't spit me out like a fire come out. Motherfucker gasoline, you just came out. What they talk about, east, west, north, and south. They ever know that I run the route. Yo, my nigga, speak up. Let's do this thing, my nigga, to Hollywood. Gotta spin this shit like you spin a gig. Never know I put on back and front my goddamn wig. Still they never understand I got this shit. Hollywood next they think it's joke. They never know till they feel the stroke. They never know till they think it's a joke. Yo, straight up weed and no coke. Ain't straight on the spot. Front the pussy fat in the front till it ain't to the back. Niggas wanna see you, so they wanna give you back shot. We say, oh nigga, you're so broke. I ain't got no time for fool like you. I've played the game before I lost. Now it's time for me to suffer my every toss. Every day I carry my cross. Motherfucker, get out my way and let me make my payday. My own way, independent that I say. You want to talk about, you want to talk that hot shit. Motherfucker never remember when I was sucking his dick. Want to act like he better than me. Want to act like I'm some fool he never see. But remember, nigga, your dick is going to get hard again. And then you're going to want to be friends. I tell you what. You take it now and lost the game. But remember when you rub your balls, the blue balls, you're in pain. You want to take my money, want to pay me? You'll see next time, baby. It ain't no time to play no game. Monkey ain't one wife once, but more than twice. Never know my pussy was feeling so nice. You want to come great shilling to me like a grain of rice. Expect I'ma mix that with some spice. Motherfucker, you think life was so nice? Want out to take the bread and eat it with the slice? Or nothing on it, and they think about life. Yo, they know the pain and the sufferation. They want to come and settle in my middle like a vibration. They never know how the hurt I pain I feel. Still they want come hard with the cock hard like a steel. Sickle in my middle, not giving me a right deal. Yo, I tell you this shit ain't no joke. You walk around this motherfucker, fuck you and make you suck dick until you get a stroke. Hey man, this shit is real. You run up in them strip club people and drugs. Bitches smoking crack, bitches getting high. Bitches sucking dick without no fucking eye. You wonder why. Yo, life never give me an easy game. But I suffer my task and I feel the pain. And every day when I wake up, I say, Lord, I want to live again. Sometime I wonder if I'm dead and I'm in hell. But when I look to the mirror and see the tears, I know dead man can't cry. I wake up every day, every year. As the time becomes snow and winter and summer again. And all I can see every day, people dying and suffering pain. What is all the life for you to fucking gain? But be yourself, let the money rain. Bitch, you want to talk about your deep throat? You never had a house, you never had a car. Niggas only come and spit off in your throat like a fucking bar. You never want to talk about nothing like you want to come up, be brave and be a star. You want to talk about I ain't got no house and I ain't got no car. But bitch, still I'm a living righteous star. Listen to me. You ain't no way you're gonna try to play me. Play with that dick in your throat, bitch. Mumble on them balls and satisfy your life. Because the time you're trying to satisfy them balls in your life, I'm only sitting concentrating how to make my life right. Bitch, you want to talk, but you ain't bring no stripe. Because when I come out here, you know I got to make it right. I got them eyes are watching me for Hollywood. Bitch, you only sitting on every day and sucking wood. What you want to talk about? You can't bring me down. Because I'm moving to Hollywood and you're still a fucking clown. Yo, ain't no day gonna pass me. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, yeah. It's like you never understand what I'm saying. Ain't no game that I'm playing, my nigga. Ain't no game that I'm playing. Heard me, you heard me now, nigga. You heard, ain't no game that I'm playing. Ain't no game that I'm playing, yeah? Yeah. Yo. I'm trying to go to Hollywood to collect the cash. Millions of dollars wanna get it in stash. Bitch, you wanna sit down while your pussy still hot. Collecting fucking bit of diamond, a little bit of cash. Nigga, stop your pussy like a fucking McDonald's. You wanna talk about how you Wendy with red hair. Don't worry about the sandwich every day and the milkshake for 99 cents. While I'm trying to make $1 million, bitch, you're still collecting penny and cent. Still owing your fucking rent. I ain't got no time for bitches who want to play games. The internet is free for everyone to make. You want to sit down bitch and in your throat another fucking nigga come and break? Don't tell me that I pray every day, God never forsake. But bitch, I still have body and ass to shake. Yes, I eat my food and be strong. Waiting for the one to come and break me down. Bitch like you that's sucking dick for so long and still you want to call me a goddamn clown. Y'all go to class to sucking dick. Y'all got degree from college. Wonder why your mama sent you to school to get the golden rule. You only end up with a cock in your throat like a big fucking tool. You realize and that's the golden rule. You ain't got no time to fake with me. Bitch, you ain't got no time to try to play with me. You play with your daddy dick and steal it from your mama. You wonder why your life is so fucking stagnant. You want to come in here and try to break my back? Bitch, go ahead and make niggas breaking your throat as you lie in your back. Bitch, you know your all ass is all is big. Bigger than your pussycat. You all fucking your ass from you're so small and you're still fucking your ass right now. Bitch, you want to stop me? You can't stop me. And the trap that you said you can't stop me. Because I'm moving to Hollywood. Ain't no way you're going to stop me. You ain't going to stop me, man. You ain't going to stop me from going to Hollywood. God damn it. I dare you, man. I fucking want to go there, yo. You walk on the Hall of Fame, man. God damn it. You, God damn it. You ain't going to stop me from going to Hollywood. I dare you. 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 And bite up on fuck you that you get mother of scunt. Yeah, ball you bitch, ball you fucker about it. I have no use for y'all fuckers. How would I know? How would that, Lord? How would that? What I want from my life, yeah. I want, why, dead, Lord, dead. Hello? Hello, darling? Olivet dead. Yeah, Olivet. She dead. You know, Olivet dead. Hello? What the donation today? Hello? Yes, baby, Olivet dead. We had a call for Olivet. She dead, but me can't help you. Me her twin sister. Yes, baby, as she is. Me the ball carry, but don't call me. What kind of cream you want, babe? I thought you Goody ain't laughing. Yeah, yes, Goody, you're on the right place. Don't play with you, man. You ain't even laughing. Fuck. I have white and shea butter, and I got different kind of cream. Right. What kind you looking for? To remove spot extra strength? You're picking up and you're in Brooklyn? All right, so when I come a couple weeks, no problem, all right? All right then, okay. I'm going to go through all that now a couple weeks. My body drop a ground. I'm trying to pan now, but these bitches still suck it with the germs on it or not. Hello. Don't you want me, baby? Don't you want me? Oh, don't you want me, baby? Don't you want me? I was working in the auto bar when I met you, and that is true. I know that ain't you. Don't you want me, baby? Okay, I'll stand up on the speaker. I'll put the speaker. I'm sitting. Don't you want me? Sitting here a little small elephant. Jesus Christ, man. Don't you want me? Oh, don't you want me, baby? Don't you want me? Oh, I was breaking down the auto bar when I met you. Bitch, I don't need you. You act because like you have a couple dollars, like you're better than me. Go on to your wife now, baby. 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 You come in woman house, you wanna fuck that cat. Leave the money and go. Don't come back in the woman house and act like your boss when you have your wife, yes, at home. Go on to your wife now, baby. Go on to your wife, oh, whore. Go on to your wife now, baby. Oh, go on to your wife now, whore. Go on to your wife now, baby. Go on to your wife now, whore. Come into the woman house to fuck her cat. Make sure you leave her cash. You don't leave her cat, stop arguing with the woman, and don't you fucking come back. Or go home to your wife now, baby. Go on to your wife now, whore. Go on to your wife now, baby. Go on to your wife now, whore. I was baking in a strip bar when I met you. I only want to spend your cash. You come into my house and let me fuck you in your ass, right into your fuck backpack. I can't understand why you do. If you don't like dick, it's true. Then why do you let me stop on the plastic and do it all the way to you? Go on to your wife now, baby. Go on to your wife now, whore. Go on to your wife now, sugar daddy. Go on to your wife now, whore. Go on to your wife now, sugar daddy. Go on to your wife now, whore. Oh, sugar daddy like to lick it, lick it. And the money daddy don't like to spend. I want a lot of money for the old ass fucker because you look so ugly, I tell you. I said, what is fucking ugly fucker with ain't got no fucking hair? Wanna stare on my breasts, wanna suck on them, cause they're pretty without no brassiere. Go on to your wife, no whore. Go on to your wife, no sugar daddy. Go on to your wife, no whore. Sugar daddy, why you fucking your ass like that and you stink of shit all the time? I fuck your ass so hard, motherfucker. A old liquor man is slime. I never know you nasty, nasty like that until you fit it in your crack. And I never know you want to come back, baby. I never know you want to come back. You should have given me $1 million. I wouldn't talk your secret now. So everybody you run your mouth and talk about me, it knows you, yes, I'm out. It better you for shutting your mouth and don't call my name. It's better for you this time. Because nobody know that the fucking thick plastic and fit up in your fucking grind. I said the motherfucker was doing good, man. The motherfucker was so nasty. Motherfucker, you want to act like you straight like that. You got a wife, you let me fuck you right up in your crack. Motherfucker, in your door, it said the devil knock. Oh. Tell me why the motherfucker got a wine back? When I put the plastic dick in his crack? If you ain't like dick, why you whine back? You an old man at that. I know you suck dick before. You lying, motherfucker. You suck dick before. It's not the first thing taking big dick, motherfucker, in your back door. You want to lie, but you're married. You got a wife? Y'all know you got a wife and kids, but not the only wife. You got some nigga pipe in your pipe. Nigga, you know you ain't right. You ain't better come and play me. So they give me my money. Cause you know you're nasty. You gotta pay more. Nasty, pay more nasty. Nasty, pay more nasty. Pay more nasty, pay more nasty, pay more nasty, pay more. Pay more old, pay more. Pay more old, pay more. Pay more old, pay more. So you're old for pay more. I say you're old for pay more. Pay more. Damn, that looks so good now. Yeah, food for exercise. Huh? And don't fall down there. Yeah. Hey, girl. Tell me that I run like a fucking cokehead or some fucking. Hey, that let pepper help and was run some pepper in here. But it's good. At least I'm not eating mucus, motherfucker. I'm blowing it out, bitch. It's the same mucus that come out in the dick that you lick, bitch. Go shut up and crazy glue up your goddamn lips. Crazy glue up your motherfucking lip. I'd say y'all be good now. Why can't you be good to me? Be good to me. Cause I don't empathize for your overloaded life. Be good to me. Why can't you? I be good to me. Shall we be good to me? I tell you, you so wicked. Why I think I died, I'm not sure. Whip Tina ass, but she wouldn't be good. Them nigga gonna be good to you. So fucking cokehead. Yeah, cokehead be good to you, my nigga. All I wanna do is coke. Coke and stroke. Motherfucker take coke, that dick ain't getting hard. That fucking dick is dead as a fucking doorknob. Fucking getting high in something not making a dick die. You know, if your dick die like fuck, man, I can't come no more. That's the sweetest part of life. I ain't fucking with this shit no more, my nigga. I'm going home to my wife. I'm signing off with y'all niggas. I ain't hanging on no more. I shouldn't take no fucking coke, my nigga. I'm going home. But so, you know, my dick gets soft. That's it. The best thing about life is when you're coming and you're going to take some shit and make your dick dead and you can't come. So what the fuck you living for, my nigga? The sweetest part is when you come in, my nigga. So you're gonna fucking nigga dick die. Your fucking nature die, you can't come. You're just walking around a comeless motherfucker. I wanna come too. Everybody wanna come. When they say come, all four run come. Everything run come to us. Then when the word come, trust me. Just try like a car and I say come, everything run come. All bird. Everybody know the word come. Yes, baby. All the animal that call him come and he come. You think you give him some? When I think I joke on this word. Yes, how to treat them understand the word come. So, you know, yes, gotta treat them. Sometimes they treat them having sex and stuff when you're passing by. You never see them. I've seen them. You see y'all ain't open your eyes. It's when them trees are getting it on, boy. They're getting on just like human beings. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, yeah. I don't know. All of a sudden my bed look. Oh, I just started pulling it in. Natural body, Mr. Steam Fish. Natural body, Mr. Steam Fish. You know. Wine and dip, Mr. Wine and dip. Some girl want to pick up, broke up me. If I wine and dip, Mr. Wine and broke up me, Mr. Wine, dip, wine, dip. Wine and dip, Mr. Wine and dip. Somebody want to broke up me, Mr. Wine, dip. Oh. Yeah. You feeling great? I'm feeling good like your mama say, bitch. I'm feeling good like your mama say, oh. No, bitch. I take your man? What do you say, somebody take your man? If she wants, she will take him, man. Why? Because she's a dog? Who is a fucking dog? Because I ain't gotta take nobody, man, to be a dog, bitch. I got some good pussy. A man will love to fuck this good clitoris man. And I got some goddamn ambition. And I'm going somewhere in life. So I ain't gotta take nobody, man, because I'm a dog. I can take it because I got some good pussy. How about that? Hey, man, somebody. Hello. I can take it because, baby, I'm a star. And we can do show together, me and him. Hello. You can't throw some good pump, some good cocky pan there. Me and him can do show on enough YouTube video and get very big and large. Millions of you all over the world. Where your man there? What talk so much? Where him there? Come baby, come heil back. Come heil me down. Boy, come make me feel sweet. Hook me under. Like a hook and bring me up like a fish. Boy, hey, hey. Me and a dog a long time in a grind. I can grind, but you know what? Me not a waste of time. Grind for what? I am not in a hungry position or desperate part of my life where I have to go and grind your fucking soft dick, man. Your man dick probably soft. Can't fucking grind what? Huh? You say grind what? You think so, baby? Oh, your daddy, you think so, man? Oh, Lord, daddy. You come on now, baby. You better rock that goddamn boat for me now. Yeah, baby. Oh, yeah, get down, baby. You get down, honey. You get down, boo. Oh, yeah, you hook on and need that motherfucker. I tell you, yes. Yes, baby. You get down now, baby. You grind on. Send the pressure down. Whoa. Slap it down. Oh, so sweet. And squeeze him. Oh, hold on to the ass cheek now. There you go. Take that bitch, got that man. You take him. Oh, daddy, I'm going to take him. I'm going to take him. Oh, yeah. Oh, you take him. You take him. I ain't no dog. But I can cock it up like a dog, though. I can, how, daddy. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah. Hello. How you doing? Hello. How you doing? I've been myself for days and I've been away for a while. I love you guys. You know when I come, I just try to make you happy. And whosoever don't want me to do that, eat the rest of this. Can you? Can you please eat the rest of this? Because I'm living my life naturally as a human being. And if you don't think I should live my life, and I should be a stuck-up bitch, then so you. Hello. I love you too. Yes, of course. And no, honey, I'm better than a dog. I'm a store. Don't get it wrong now, you know. This person said, I am white and I can do better love. You're white and you can do better love. What do you mean, make better love? I don't understand what you say. Can suck it better? I don't know what you try to say. Huh? How would this heartbreak and them a laugh and they heartbreak? Well, your heartbreak and your blood clot business. Come and break heart. Don't fucking come in here with your heart broken. You don't marry to me. I never fucking divorce you. I don't fucking know you from Adam. Here comes Eve. Do not come in here with your broken heart when I don't even know how you smell, green or not. Hello, please understand my integrity. I love you all. And I don't want to disrespect anyone at this given moment. I'm asking you, please, to understand and have a little bit of moron and morals about you, and don't come at my page to express your broken ribs when I have nothing wrong. I have not drive a train or a bus and broke your goddamn ribs. Please be a human being, but not on a spaceship. Hello. I love you too. I hate to run people who watch me, you know. I try to block them because you say something wrong. I don't like to be a bitch. I rather just ignore you because you know what? I'm the star. And I want you to come and look at me, and then when I block you, you can't see me. I'm like, baby, I'm here. Come and suck my breast. That's not what you want to see while you linger around and you don't like me. Something about me that you wanted. Something about me you dislike because you can't be like me. And even though you say I'm ugly, but I'm not ugly as your front. And I'm not ugly as your mommy front. I'm not ugly like your daddy front, or nothing about you. But you wanna come and bring me down to the gravy. Baby, no, 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 no. Don't bring me down today. Ooh, I'm beautiful in every single way. And words can bring me down. Won't you bring me down today? Ooh. I wonder what happened to Britney Spears and all of them. You know, they just come and they just go. What happened? You're still in Hollywood. You got money. Why I'm not hearing anything? Boy, I tell you, that's why they need me to come in Hollywood right now. I'm saying, nah, man. They need me to come up on this shit, my motherfucker. Gotta make a switch. Gotta make $1, man. Gotta make $1 billion. I gotta make a record. Gotta make a hit. Yo, I gotta find some money out of this shit. You ain't sitting around wasting time like this bitch is so when they pussy till it's sour like lime. They pussy wet, draining slime. They can't get a niggas to climb the extra mile. But they wanna come and talk about me. I'm a dirty profile. But still I get in the money in Kyle. Every day I wake up, I still don't have a frown. I still have a smile. Yo, now I'm big one woman. I'm blessed from was a child. Yo, it's like that, my nigga, man. It's like that, my son. You know what I mean? Yo, we're gonna break this shit in, my nigga. It's like the dealing, the wheeling. Yo, like the gunshot in the art and the feeling. It's like 6 foot under the steel. Yo, nigga, you bad, nigga. You bad, man. You bad. Badass, nigga, I tell you. You could shout like a motherfucker. I tell you. Straight up. Straight up, my nigga. You bad, man. You badass. Ooh, I tell you, I love you too. Yo, I ain't got no time for game. The world is running so rapid right now. People dying like it's a fucking shame. Yo, the devil ain't playing in no time for game. Yo, you got to gaggle your thoughts and your mind. You got to wake up every day and pray, God, that you're still alive. Yo, you don't even know the next minute that you're going to fall down dry. Yo, this shit ain't no lie, son. It's like rougher here, man. It's like rougher than hell. I'm telling you, the kind of shit that happen every day in the news, everywhere, make your head swell. You don't know what next gonna happen. You just can't fucking tell. Yo, for real, son. These motherfuckers want to talk about my lyrical could never done. Someone talk about I'm a Chucky and I tell him, say, listen, man. Your mama used to fuck Chucky, man. When Chucky used to be at the truck stop. They don't know that, man. They worry about the baby, why the baby's so ugly. They talk about people every day that you ugly. The baby born looking like little Chucky. Yo, they don't know how to disown their baby, you know. They can't leave the baby, they take the baby home, they take it to social media like, damn. What's wrong, my dog? This baby ain't real, this shit is a fraud. Why the baby face look like a fucking frog? Yo, this shit is real, this shit is happening today, man. This shit is real, my nigga. I don't know the day when I was born, what I look like. I know the circumstances, but right now I feel right. I ain't met nobody make me talk up and act like I don't love y'all and get hype. You know what I'm saying? I got to keep it smooth and cool and humble. Some bitch want to move like their shit tumble. They want to talk in your face, behind the back, they want to go and grumble. But nigga pocket, they sucking the dick for change, they scrumble. But listen to me, I ain't got no time, man. I'm not no fish they want to scale, they want to fry, man. It's like another game they want to try, man. They want to see me eye to eye, man. It's like a butterfly, spread it out. Pretty pussy in the middle, every nigga want to fuck. Pink like a rose is tied to the buck. Some of them talk about your face ugly like a Chucky Chuck. Niggas want to suck me, want to lick my clitoris right. They get fucking licked, they get hard like a fucking pipe. Never get a nigga that want to leave me yet. Every time he can't get the pussy, make him fret. Pussy is a comfort like a bird nest. When it pushes cocky, feel rest. Your bitches want to talk when your pussy is a mess. You could never get ahead, man. Dreader than dread, man. You all keeping doing head, man. Yeah, I keep telling you, man. We're going to Hollywood this year, Olivet team. We fucking going to Hollywood this year, my nigga. We going to Hollywood, y'all niggas. We going to Hollywood this year, my niggas. We going to fucking Hollywood, dog. I got to go back on Instagram and start using my Instagram again. You know what I mean? I'll try to set it tomorrow, man. And we going to Hollywood, man, because I haven't been using it. We going to Hollywood, my dogs, man. We up in Hollywood, man. We're not talking about sucking out. We talk about making it up in Hollywood. Made the dollar pack up like a newspaper so good. We ain't selling with soul. Let's return back. But if the shit is right, we're going to stock it. We don't worry about them. We're going to pop it. No, we ain't talk about crack it. Only sentimania alone in my brain if I stock it. Yeah, they talk about the Mace, the Freemason. But they don't know they talk about you join the ring. How you gonna join the ring without no money, no fucking bling? Every day I get up the same song I sing. Motherfucker, don't try me. Don't try to blame and try to tie me. I ain't selling my soul for nothing. I ain't got dry shit in my ass. You talk about I sell my soul, I ain't get shit. Motherfucker, I must be stupid. Selling my soul for nothing. The devil smile in my face every day. You must be wrong, my nigga. I ain't got no time for that shit. I ain't got no time for that bitch. Pussies think like shit, bitch. Bitch, you want to talk about your head? Get out my fucking name, you fucking bitch. You want to be a star, you don't want to do the job? You want to walk around doing blowjobs? Well, how much time you talk about how much brain you have? Bitch, give me a break. Please, give me a break. Don't make the devil come and tempt me. Y'all suck a nigga dick until he empty. Listen to me. We're going to Hollywood this year, man. We can rap, my niggas. We can do rap, we can do reggae, we can do calypso, man. We can do love song like, I love you, baby. We can do a lot, my nigga. We going to Hollywood. This team, we going to Hollywood in this team, my niggas. You heard me? We going to Hollywood in this bitch, my dog, man. I'm telling you, man, I could feel $1 million, man. We're going to pretty ass earring, nice yellow wigs, man. Blooming like a goddamn star, my nigga. I'm ready, my nigga. My thick eyebrow. I'm ready, my dog. Contour makeup. My shit is ready, man. Look at my shit. Shaking. It got lash right on there, too. And I don't even like lash, you know. I put them on. I take them. As I finish, I wash my face. I plug them right back off. Because they can't spend the night on my high. Nope, I ain't no help your man. I hold no food, man. I don't nobody. Because I should sit on with this big ass lash stick on my lashes. When I try to sleep, I can't sleep good like a hoe in some fucking, like I sell my soul already. I don't know if it's going to punish me like that. When I wash my face, it's one down, one is almost off. Already, I take this shit right on my goddamn eye. I ain't going to walk around. I saw this lady the other day on the train. I was like, lady, you look good. She got a lash and she glued it all the way from up here. She glued it on from up here. Not here. She glued it on from there. I was like, my God. And I said, you did it yourself. The train was full of people. And somebody must have seen me and know me too. Like, I know you. I was like, you think look good, you did yourself? And I was talking to a lady and somebody called me. It's like, I know this lady. I was like, oh no, that's not good. But yeah. They be having the lashes so big and thick, like nobody know they're gonna know that your lashes don't grow that much. Your lashes not gonna grow that much. And then you have it on, and then you have to sleep in it, and it can't come off and wake up in it every day. Y'all gotta punish yourself for beauty, not me, honey. Because if that's what beauty gonna come, it's ain't gonna find me. And if beauty ain't find me yet, put on the lash, don't go and make it find me. Still gonna walk on the same street you've been walking all my goddamn life. Hello. If beauty decides, say, I'm going to walk on one different street all my life. I'm going to put on a lash, no one beauty, go and come and say, I'm going to walk on the same street, you the panty, them actually catch me. No, sir. I'm going to walk on the same street, you always walk on, nothing not change. Hello. I'm not do myself up in nobody. Because I have body, dainty body. Next curvy diva, you know. Let me tell you. Boy, girl. You're going to be next curvy. You're going to clash. Boy. Get back, can't talk on it for panty face. I'm missing on him face, panty shame, my shame. And why can't talk as you know panty mouth, I'm missing on him face, and I shame, my shame. Panty mouth in a dip. Put your mouth in my ear. Let me put my panty in your mouth, You are so giving me. But I want to tell me coming out nothing. You can't do it still, you can't do it. You can't sucky boy, make me feel. Make me feel me a human being. Not you me rich and me got. Not you me poor and me got big. I may have on a little yellow wig. Make it want to come suck out my fig. Ow, 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 ow. Not calling him, not calling him. But I'm a curvy. Come and wipe me with your tongue. Tongue, tongue. Tongue me boy, come tongue me. They go up me whole if you don't me. Put the tongue in my middle if you don't me. Sweet sap, done me. Sweet sap, done me. Sweet sap, done me. Something like a sour sap, something like a sour sap. Sweet sap, done me. Sweet sap, done me. Sweet sap, done me. Sweet sap, something like a sour sap, something like a sour sap. Don't you ever waste a drop of the sour sap. Squeeze me like a sour sap. Oh, you squeeze my belly, me go fart though. Oh, squeeze the belly, me go fart out. Oh, sweet sap. Done me knees berry, boy. Done me knees berry. Hello and good night. I'm calling from 1GR radio station. And I'm calling to speak to Olivet. I want to interview her tonight. Let me speak to her, please. Hello, good night. Hello, ma'am. This is JR Radio Station. And I'm calling to interview with you. Talk a lot about you all over the world, from Hong Kong. You're also in India. You're also in Pakistan. You're also in Africa, Kenya, Liberia, Nigeria, and all over. You're also in Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic. You're also in Florida. You're all the way in Texas. You're all the way in Toronto. You're all the way in Brazil. You're all the way in New Jersey. You're all the way all over the world. You're all the way. Everybody's seen you. And they say, you know what? I want to call and interview you. Well, what you want to know? Well, I just want to know something about you. Where you from and how old you are and what make you get in this form of work and business. Well, you know, I'm a true Jamaican woman, you know. And I believe in cooking cocoa, yam and dumpling and banana and thing, and, you know, boiling the gravy and thing. With coconut juice. Real natural eating, you know. Right now I'm 43. The last time I thought I was 43, but this year I'm really 43. And I'm a country girl. I'm in America now. I've been living in America for a couple of years now. Since I was 16 years old. I get to run the street. I know the street. I'm a gangster bitch. And what else you want to know about me, ma'am? I come from a Jamaica, a poor place. No, man, I'm not in Jamaica. I would like to go back. But the crime rate that I'm hearing, the crime rate is really starting my brain right now. Let me reconsider if I can really go back or not. And ma'am, I also heard that the Chinese, they also take over and also build a big highway and all that. So them driving on the highway is not even ours anymore. So I don't know, ma'am. Well, ma'am, y'all sell out your own people. Y'all sell out your fucking people. And tell the Jamaican people and bullshit, and I go to your husband sell out, and one of them blood clot sell out, and the Chinese come in and take over, and the crime rate is very high. Everybody sacrificing the people and for money. Everybody want to be rich, and only one of them who are sacrificing. So I say the people will be alive eventually because they're using the local people to sacrifice them. Man, cannot get the fuck off my phone, woman, and don't call you no more. You're not doing anything to help you. Want blood clot interview me, woman, come off my phone. Come off on a dirty blood clot, when a fucking demon sits in front of my phone. Come off on my phone and go along. And foolish you call me, I call me about you. Next America top model. Hi, my name is Pretty Bump. My name is Pretty Bump. My name is Pretty Bump. I got a lump in my trunk. And my name is Pretty Lump. Pretty Lump. You want to perform something for us? Right, take the mic. It's been bitten, but it's still alive. Hello. Okay, go ahead. My name is Pretty Bump. Me pretty in me rump. Wine all night and make me ass cheek jump. Pretty Bump. Me name Pretty Bump. Wine all night and shake up me rump. Pretty little ass cheek, pretty little rump. So then call me Pretty Little Bump. Me nah no bumpy squeezing on me face. When some boy see me bump on the back, him fall in a space. Him say, girl, me like how you bump round. Can you wind up your waist? But him never know how the miggle taste. Him call me the pretty little bump. Man, fuck the fucking little pretty bump, bitch. Fuck the fucking little pretty bump, bitch. I want to fuck it in your ass front, bitch. You want to talk about your pretty little rump, bitch. Hardcore fucking, we ain't no joking, bitch. I fuck it in your ass, all you buy your flattened braids. All you buy your fucking wig and broke your shade. We talking about this shit. Get the fuck off my line, you ate the parade. We don't give a damn when they come and talk about me. Talk about me. Oh, foxy, sexy as can be. They wanna blame me cause I smoke some trees. Every day I got food to eat. Ooh, separation never me. My gut is so full right now, packed with food. When I fart around, they say I'm so fucking rude. I gotta fart sometime to free my gut. I got the fart come out, it smells so smush. It doesn't matter though, I gotta free myself. Some of them say fart, you need some help. The other night I fart so much. I count after 10 times my finger was out of touch. I said, damn, I feel like my belly's gonna bust. I fought all night to think I was visited by the dopey chuck. But I don't know why I keep farting, baby, but you love me. If you never put it in my ass, my ass muscle would never be free to make me fall like that. If you never trouble the muscle, let me fall like that. When you trouble the muscle and you lose and you fart every minute, cause you trouble the muscle in the buttocks. It's if you use it, man, putting on my ass, me say, why, my mother? You don't like me and I don't care. Ooh, yeah, daddy. And is it, shake it up, baby, now, shake it up, baby. Twist the child, shake it up, baby. Shake it up, baby, now, shake it. Now you gotta twist the child, twist the child, twist it. You know you take it up, baby, now, shake it up, baby. Twist the child, twist the child. Twist the child, twist the, shake it up. I say, I love you more than you love me, but I don't ever give a fuck. And nigga gonna stick his stick in my throat, and then he gonna take broke. Oh no, that'll be his fucking bad luck. When I cut off his dick, you see, he swallow his balls, he ain't relax until he dead. See, motherfucker wanna try me. Oh, bitch, you wanna dry me? Motherfucker wanna try me, bitch, use your tongue and dry me. Oh, bitch, use your tongue and dry me. Damn! Use your tongue and dry me. Bitch, make your tongue sting me like a fucking snake. Bitch, make your tongue sting me like a fucking snake. Sting me like a snake, bitch, with your tongue. You wanna talk me down, you can't talk me down. Chew on my clitoris like a fucking bubble gum. You ain't talk me down, bitch. You ain't talk me down. She ain't talk me down. Baby, cause you know you got it all so sweet. And it ain't your pussy, and you know you wanna eat. You know my pussy sweet, bitch, you know you wanna eat. You know my pidgey boots, bitch, you know you wanna eat. Wanna talk, but you ain't got no place to sleep. See my pussy wanna eat it like a olive. Eat my pussy like a white rice. Eat it like a fruit. Eat it, bitch, I don't give a fuck. You wanna act like you wanna play me so cruel. Let that bitch come. Oi. Come on, whore. Come censorship. Come on. No. Got the salt in the corner. Damn, look at the place. The place I never stay clean yet. Because you keep fucking up. You keep fucking up the place, nigga. You keep fucking up the place. You fucking up the place, nigga. You keep fucking up the place. Yo,
Gotta break it down for these bitches, son. Gotta break it down for the bitches, break it down. Gotta break it down for these hoes to break it down. Gotta break it down for these hoes to break. Oh, my leg, I'm pain me, man. From all the squat, them to pain me. Oh, Lord. To pain me. From all the squat, them to pain me. Why? You done sore already. You need rest. You need rest. You need rest, man. You need rest, brother. Boy, it need rest. The rest you can't bag it up. You know? Bag it up, bag it up. So come on, girl. So come on, girl. Later you do the squat. How many do the squat them most of the time? What is something there? The beautiful socks them. So yeah, burn. But it's good. The body gonna get used to it after a week. It become nothing. Because my body used to do it before, so I look how my body fit back in. It's good. It feels good. After a while, I won't be able to break like this. Just because I just start back a couple days, you know, so I'm really out of shape. It's going to be a while before. Ooh. It's good for the heart. I was dead as a motherfucker the other day. I was dead as fuck. I was like, I'm dead. I realized I was dead, you know. What I did realize at the last minute that I was fucking dead, I was like, I gotta get back alive. This gut gotta go. I gotta lose this gut. Look how much of gut I got. Spread all the way around to the side. Gotta get rid of it. Yes, sir? Gotta get rid of this. So, more. It take time. But you know what? I'm not complaining. At least a start is a start. Some of the bitches ain't start doing nothing. Hello? Some of y'all ain't doing nothing. 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 Some of y'all doing nothing. Some of y'all doing nothing. 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 Some of y'all doing nothing. Yeah, man. You know what? You have to make 8 of them mad, you know. You have to make them mad. Because now who tell them say come from you look man or you look man or you want man. So one thing can come up with some bullshit. Like you look no fucking body. Fucking belly full of power there, you know, I see. I'm going to make cake before you twist a cake there. Alright. You need to find a way out of this body. I'm telling you. You need to find a way out of this fucking gut, my nigga. You need to come out. Jesus. Lord. That one gotta make me close about all the night. He couldn't steal the sound after this. Oh God, it's still on all night. I'm surprised. Jesus, boy. I tell you, why are you still a man and no girl? Hey. Hey, then I'm a better no. Hey, sister, what stinko? What stink, eh? Stinky bottle. It's smelling like a bottle. Look nice and round. Stinking fart coming out of it. That's how it be. All the beautiful ass, a beautiful shit smell farting
Boy, she looks so pretty. Her ass is so big. Some of the ass is not even their ass. That even make it worse. You know, and the fart stinker because the ass is right inside. Oh, Jesus. I tell you. Put this thing back, girl. Mess with this damn TV now and then. Make this thing not work. I'm going to watch my TV show. I can't. Piss me off, my nigga. What you saying? Oh, damn, you could hear the wind outside. Oh, you hear the wind outside? You hear it? You want to hear it? The inside is a demonic. Oh, too much demons out the door. Listen to this. So listen to how much demons out the door. Just listen quietly. You gone there now. I not hear it now, but wait. You hear it? Listen good. There's something woo. I eat and make nice, so what I do just to win. All the time I notice, when I come over here and the wind blow, it's ball. It make nice when they cry, like a person crying. That shit is scary. It's like a whole bunch of ghosts out there. You hear it? Listen. You hear it? You hear it, right? If I know you hear something wrong on the fucking ears or something. Oh. Kind of so white now. I'm growing. Go eat now. You know, some more dirty and to run the feet again. Eh? Yeah, but I love you too. Lot of them company and they share about don't share and tell people I can't share and don't share. The fuck, and let me see when I say that. I'm never funny, me just black on a ass. Kind of nice, not a nice person. Want to come on people shit and fuck up people shit. Not nice. Not nice at all. I'm going to be a friend who can't share a video. And I can't share a video, then we're not really friends. Because I have one up on my page as friend when I can't do phone or video and don't want to sit in them. And that no fair. Who don't want to stay fucking go on? Nobody now hold in a year. Go on. That's number one. I never said me want a demonic nothing. I'm singing my song. I'm rapping, my nigga. If I'm rapping, making joke, don't take it personally. Come on. Me not on some type of drugs. It's my natural given talent. That's why people watching me. That's why number of people follow me because I have natural given talent. That's something that you will never find because you're so stuck up, run around, licking people's ass and going by fucking, you have to do this, you have to talk like this, you have to eat like this, you have to go here, you have to eat with a knife and fork and spoon. That is the reason why. That is just the reason why. You can't be yourself. You gotta be your fucking self. So nobody not come tell me nothing. Me be my fucking self. Me not care. Just gotta come up. I gotta get up. I understand? Me not know some type of drugs. You understand? That's why I don't always do that. All the time. The number call me one more time, I go block them because me don't know why this girl called me. So my mother calling me from the phone. Through the phone. And girl, if you're freaking call me one more time, I'm gonna block you. Cause you have no right to be calling me. Alright? Kiki, do not call my phone. When I live you call me again, I'm going to block you. Come in a little pitney something. Alright? Me not want a bad obligation. Just want you all to know that. I'm a grown ass woman. Hold on. I don't want my mother an obligation. I'm not owe you nothing. So you call me for. Alright? And that's why I'm going to block you right now. Because I'm not going to put in your call me every minute. And I hang up coming on one obligation. I don't want no obligation. Understand? I done enough. I'm going to my business. Let me love my fucking live my fucking life. Black is the last time I'm fucking unblock you so you can have this thing for watch you fucking call me. What you call me for? What you calling me for? What is it? Why you calling me? Huh? Yeah, why y'all calling me?
I've been looking for you.
You're looking for me? We'll have to call you back. Phone dead. The phone dead. I have to call you back some other time. So who looking for me? Man, I ain't interested in nobody right now, no. Cause you see me? I don't make so. I just want to live my life free. Nobody fucking tell me to talk. See? Simple as that. No fucking child no more, no fuck it here. Mother, and she like a girl that called my mother, said somebody like one of my sister or somebody say, look to me, give them a number. Give them a number, then call me then. Stop calling me up on live. Let them give them a number, then call me. Whatever. So this them supposed to take up me take a shopping in the corner. On the wall. Yo, fucking leave me alone, man. I'm not into that shit right now for nobody. Yo, I had enough. You know? I mean, I just fuck you. I just don't want to be controlled by no motherfucker. I want to be free indeed, like a fucking bird in a fucking tree. I don't live by people law, rule, and regulation and law by the motherfucking ass. I tell you, I drop all that pussy, I'm on my own, goddammit. Nobody call me, tell me shit. Enough was enough what done to me already. I'm hurt to the bone. I'm done like a bitch. I'm done like a done pussy bitch. I'm done ass like a done pussy bitch. Help me, Lord, I'm done. I can't take the pain. I can't take the pain no more. I love these people, but I'm done like a motherfucker. I'm done like a motherfucker. I love them, but I gotta run like a bitch. I'm tired. I'm fucking tired. To do right and to be right and get strike with a dynamite. I'm fucking tired. My daddy dead. I haven't get to know him that much. God damn it, my mother is whole now. Lord, you save me, Lord. I can't hear my goddamn self. I say myself, I need to put something in my goddamn brain. I need it now. I need some smoke. Because this shit is some real shit now. You calling me and him to go live now. You calling me live. You been looking for me. Look for Jesus now. Y'all don't no longer been praying the Lord help me. I try to help out. Next thing I know, I get blamed for nothing, Lord. Jesus fine. Jesus will help. Jesus will help you. Jesus alone. Father alone knows all about it. Father alone will understand why. Cheer up, Olivet, live in the sunshine. She'll understand it by and by. She'll understand it. She'll understand it by and by. Nobody knows your fucking pain goes suck dick. Nobody knows fucking shit. Man, I don't give a fuck what they want to talk about. I'm going to Hollywood niggas, you giving me a shout. Motherfucker wanna hate, they wanna give me a clout. But they don't want the fucking business that I'm about. Hip hop, you know I gonna spin this record to gold. Yo, I gonna rub my shoulder to shoulder till the truth been told. Motherfucker, I wanna get the million, but I don't wanna sell my soul for the fucking diamond and gold. Rich is gonna come anywhere you work hard. But niggas wanna hard so much, but they still a fraud. Now I still on my knee praying to the only God. They never see the realness, they never see the real deal. And they wanna feel the real steel. Motherfucker sick to the doctor, wanna get ill. But when they got the prayer alone, or the prayer of the spirit, you can really feel. Seal it. Seal it like a seal it, man. Pussy, you wanna feel it, man. Yo, my nigga, you know the plan, my dogs. I love you like that, man. I don't give a fuck, I wanna sit down and chat, man. You know what I mean? Pussy wanna clap, man. Pussy jaw so fat. Make it fat and make it dick get hard when you feel the top. Still they know that ain't no shot. Broke pocket nigga always want to subtle on top. Yo, I ain't no faking like that, my nigga. I'm real. Bitch, you know, I'm real, my nigga. The more you talk, is the more you talk. Is the more I keep it going, make the dog get bark. Yo, bitches eat to the spoon and the fork. So the devil sell their soul, they already fucking caught. Yo, mark out the spot in the road when I die with a white chalk. Fuck you telling me. Give me a minute, my niggas, I'll be back. Give me a minute, man. Yo, the phone's gonna go die on us. We gotta kill this phone, you know. Because if I ain't gonna get to come back home, might as well make you feel good for the fucking night, my nigga. Who wanna run me off? You tell me. Remember, I'm gonna go back and watch this shit now. I'm gonna laugh like you, bitch. So make sure you don't leave no shit, because I don't wanna just block you for no reason, my nigga. What my light I ain't lighting? What is the fucking shit? You wanna play me, bitch? I never can find a lighter in this motherfucking shit. Every day is the shame. Always looking for a lighter. What the fuck? Man, this shit ain't real. Never can find shit. You need to smoke, but it ain't coke. You need to smoke, but it ain't dope. You need to smoke, but you better ain't choke. Yo, niggas, you wanna fuck the best pussy, but still you broke. Another fucker lying dead, they'll croak. Yeah, dick, you wanna suck, and balls you wanna spit. Bitch, you wanna talk, this year I'm the it. Suck my titty nibbles, stretch it so far. Lick my nipples, boy, make it so hard. Lick my nipples like a Tarzan's toy. Hello, boy, lick until you get the joy. Hey, boy, put the condom, I ain't never fuck raw. Hey, man, I ain't playing this shit in my life. Yo, hold on, man. When you beat it, where you beat it, don't understand it. Well, what they don't understand is the way you was made. The way the blessing was come. When you talk, your tongue is like parade. Boy, you know, dick like no curtain that bring no shade. Your tongue and twist up in your throat, you need no doctor, no aid. When you suck a nigga, you never, let's suck a nigga dick, you never be afraid. Suck a dick like you know what you're doing, bitch, like you got a trade. Don't suck a dick like you think you're sucking candy pop. With all your mouth wetty, ready, when the candy slack. Oh, man. They want to sit down and group up and talk shit. But shit, tell me why your pussy smell like some shit. Yeah. For sometimes, every time I take a pull, I ease my body, man. Every time I smoke in, my ass smoke out. It's like my ass is running a competition with my fucking mouth. My nigga, man. Come on, girl. Put in that, go till the gas could go down. Go down, gassy girl. There's a gassy girl in the rain. Charlie, lolly, love. She looks like a sugar and she smells like a fart. And then you show me emotion. Show me emotion. Show me emotion. Show me emotion. Cha-la-la. I'm going to Hollywood, man. I'm going for the kill. Some say me acting so silly. They think all the time I'm silly still. Then I realize I got this silly till I get to the mill. That's the only time I sit back with the fuck in the glass and chill. Y'all bitch, you wanna eat, take a chill pill. I never suck on your man dick, never sit in it still. You wanna go like you ate me, like you're getting ill. But right now you need to relax, Bill, and take a chill. Man, I ain't a fool in this game, man. I let money rain, man. When a nigga see my body, he's dick in pain, man. I ain't live my life in no shame, man. And bitches wanna talk, but they never can be tame, man. Bitches ain't got no game like before. That nigga fucking playing the pussy like some sore. They ain't got no $1,000, $1, $2 to go and shop, nigga suck their pussy like a fool. But me ain't a fool, I'm a hustler, nigga. I gotta get what I need, even a $5 wig. I ain't playing the niggas, cause this ain't a fucking gig. Yo, shit is street and shit is real. Bitches wanna be pretty, but they ain't got no fucking brain. Niggas roll them anyway, fuck them right on the train. Bitch can't get a hotel room, she fucking insane. Niggas use them like that with dicks in their throat, dicks in their jaw like they get a fucking stroke. Such bitch wanna talk about you, wanna take a oath. Can't take no oath and this bitch, you just suck a dick bitch. And you swallow bitch, you never spit bitch. But you know 2018 and the 8 bitch. Never know me straight up real, I'm in a switch bitch. When you talk about my pussy clean and the itch bitch. Hey, why you faking like that? Why you hating like that? Done rating like that? My pussy you wanna taste like that. Nigga in my pussy in my crack, you ain't tasting. You wanna fuck the pussy still you wanna taste it. Pussy you never know the pussy good, they wanna chase it. Putting a rum and Remy in my bitch. Still I'm sitting here. My shit is real cause I never gonna switch. Yeah, you dick in my pussy like a dog, you itch. Never know the shit is so good. Get up in your brain like a cocaine. Pussy drive you insane. Wanna come and fuck this pussy all over again. But the pussy is wild, could never tame. On the money for the pussy. Y'all broke packet nigga wanna suck and fuck. Next thing you know, talk about you so broke. Talk about my pretty breast, $7,000 you wanna feel and touch. Middle nigga, your foot is so dirty and crust. What the fuck you talking about, bitch? Go on to Hollywood straight in line. We ain't worried about the cocaine and the white line. We don't slip that, never that. We ain't no crackhead, we ain't smoke crack, we ain't dope. But sense in me, you know what we rock. Like Bob Marley said, blaze it in your head. Dreadlocks, shake your blood clot dreads. Or what we say, up ahead. Yo, we gotta go to Hollywood one by one. Wanna worry about them number one. Hitting platinum record. Hip hop, you hear me coming for a record deal. Don't make the evil come like majority wanna steal. Because right now, my lay out like that, like a 12-inch, it's cocky in your foot, girl. They gon' feel it all the way in your heel. Yeah, sneeze, bitch, sneeze. Don't hold the breath too long. Cause a long time be sucking on the dick and swallow the balls, you be swallow the whole goddamn John. But I tell you now, we gotta make the record deal. We gotta go high to Hollywood, son. You gotta go to the block. I ain't gonna come back down back. I'm sit like that in Hollywood, counting my dollars. Yo, this is not no penny and dollars like I take to shop. Motherfucker, you gotta know that. And the biggest star are rising soon. Motherfucker wanna see me 6 foot under in my tomb. But I tell you that they wanna see me dressed, but I don't see the groom. Cause they're rising for the $1 million top, son. The $1 million, yes, the $1 million. Sit in my bed, man, they didn't let me holler. You talk about I can't please myself with my finger. But I know more blessing come for me, cause my heart no linger. Waiting up all night for you to call. When I realize you're sitting behind the fucking wall. Next bitch got the dick so hard and tall. While I'm lying in my bed, my heart broken, wanna crawl. You ain't coming home tonight, cause a bitch got in you sucking your dick so right. Motherfucker, you're feeling like you're so hype. But I tell you what, sitting on this computer, sitting type, talking about the kind of way I feel like. But I know I go to prison for you, fool. Go, motherfucker, gotta go. I gotta rise above my enemies. Some of them wanna see me wanna see me empty. But I'm so full of lyrical sense that they never stop overflowing my brain. They wonder if I'm taking drugs or I'm on cocaine. They never seen somebody naturally high in fame, but they never realize until they see it. Pork is so sweet and nice like a slice of pie. I put in Jamaica, never sweet and nice. Never know a Jamaican girl can make your up feel like spice. Boy, yo, when they talk about me, man, I said, bitch, get out my way, man. Lie on your back, let me walk and you get to Hollywood, man. Don't sit down sucking wood, man. You know you ain't good, man. Lapping your tongue around a nigga bars, squeezing him so hard. Bitch, let him loose like an anaconda snake. You want to snake up and sting me, bitch. But no, the ghost in me just wake and say, bitch, get out of here, I know you're fake. Ow, lyrical sense that make your head hurt. Never know your body alone, you just can't turk. Motherfucker gotta look a job and get a little work. Fast in the making, man. Yeah, man. Big blood clot star in my youth. It's like a Hollywood me I go know. A Hollywood me I go know. For the rest of the bump of that shit. Smoking trees, we ain't worried about them, man. Smoking tree like a fucking tree, that son. You don't worry about the motherfucker, man. We don't smoke a night. We don't cheese kids to smoke. We don't teach kids to drink, cause that ain't a fucking joke. That's gonna be your own choice, but you ain't gonna learn from me to make you right, motherfucker. Get that? So we don't worry about the fucker what they want to say. We have respect to the young. We want to show them how it's been done. Without no alcohol and smoking, and you can have some fun. So pussy, go wash yourself, bitch. Go wash yourself. They want the Jamaican man to fuck them and then pussy down. And the pussy Jamaican boy, them say they want the money till it done. Hold up, give me a break, man. Give me a 2 minutes break. I've been running for a second. You can't be mad for 2 minutes break, man. Come on. That'd be like selfish, like where she gone. Come on. Me a machine, yes, but give me like a minute. Machine still need oiling. Alright? I don't know where Olivet is. Olivet been gone. That bitch is gone. No more regular life. No more fucking sleep like I used to sleep no more at night. Every day you wake up, your fucking life is not the same no more. You never reach your way in life yet. Imagine when you get famous and shit, you fucking want to die and shit. Imagine you're so locally and you get no peace. People calling your phone fucking for bullshit, harassing you. You walk outside, if you go out your nap, you're into all kind of people want to take picture like, oh, I love you so much, and you look so raggedy. And you're trying to be normal, but you can't be normal no more because people spotting everywhere you go like, damn. You know. You can't get away with nothing no more. Everybody all up in your fucking business. You go into the store, somebody watching you coming back. You go on the train, somebody see you. You go to wholesale, somebody see you. Out of nowhere, you think that nobody know me now, somebody see you. And I call you, you know. More than one, out of car, out of vehicle. Your phone will ring sometime, almost time at night, sometimes if you lock it off. People are calling you after 1 o'clock. For the ring, people are calling you all kind of bullshit. Some man a call you, look you, all kind of something. And you say no in the interest, and still I call back, them still. And it's like, we never use WhatsApp like that. We haven't been on Instagram more long since last year sometime. I've been on Instagram, I've been back on there. I don't really follow it up like as much as you think, but I follow it up, I need to. Because I could have been way bigger, you know. But sometimes it's like really hard that I hardly, you know, been nowhere yet. And then when you get off this thing, you think about, you watch a show where you watch, see all kind of stuff when people are talk about you. And then you have to go and sleep, you have to wake up, think about, make a next video for YouTube, if you make $1, make sure your money come in if you can eat. Take care of yourself, make sure you get to start them. So your mind always on the run. What next, what next, what next? You're still thinking about music that you're writing, other things that you're doing, you know, and planning. So your mind is always running. It's like, why do you even start this fire? Why do you even start it? Why even start if you can't go with it? And it's a big job. So when dirty blood clot, big pussy then can come by you and start running after them out, they don't understand it's a big job. It takes a lot of energy to be funny. To carry all this nonsense and all this bullshit and rapping all this shit, it takes a lot of energy. Alright, it takes a lot of love that I have for the people. For people who are sick, people who are not happy, people who are boring, to make them laugh. To give them a sense of life. A meaning to life that you can still laugh. Beyond all your hurt. Beyond losing your daughter get murdered. Your son getting murdered. Your mother just died. Your sister just died. Or something bad has happened. Or you don't even know where your next 2 months of rent are come from. Or 3 months rent you might owe. You never know where you're stressed out right now. Nobody don't want to fucking sit down and nobody counsel them when they're stressed out and I tell them, man, you got to do this. And act like them better off on blood clot. The week got $5 and the ears ring at $5. The outfit, well, you know, and I asked me to buy my outfit. I know all of them cheap. This one is not from the sale rack. So I think this one was like $45 or something like that. You know, because you know, all of them are on sale rack. I think it's something like $45, $50, something like that. Right? Right? I know I always have enough jewelry, so I can always find jewelry to match everything. Come a whole of jewelry. Right? Because like I said to you, the summer is around the corner. One thing I can't tell you is I'm a girl, I'm not naked, I'm not shoesless. One thing I can't tell you with it. One thing. Right? I have whole heap of wig, I have normal color, I have whole heap of bright color, I have more pink wig. Because to my ear the pink, I'm having the pink ear. I'm going to take some really like the pink, so I buy 1 wig. Yeah, I buy 1 pink one like my ear. So I can do the pink style, you know? And do what I want to do and all them sitting. I have all different color. Purple, pink, blue. I see me blue already. All different color I have. So when I come out to my color, I just know I made that. Because when you're doing comedy or you're being yourself, you want to be that kind of person who you're. That's just my style. I design like a hairstyle because I like art pieces. I like art and something that look different that you never see before. And this is quite a hard piece with the earring and the yellow hair. It's really different, and it's art. This also got yellow in the outfit, as you see, and it's very different, you know. The place that I buy regular earrings from, like where I joined up with I went the last time, that's where I buy these. But I think they got them in white, and I think they got them in pink and purple. I don't know if they still have them. If I know they was this comfortable and this light, I would have buy more than one color in this style because I like the flower, and it's very nice, you know. And so on. I was gonna wear the other one, but I could wear the other one a different day because I like this one too. I like this one too. Oh. I like this one too. I like different things, you know that? Yeah, so I'm not here for people who are in denial. You have some people, you call them in denial. They're in denial about their life. They don't understand that you can be bold and you can be raw and be yourself. They feel like you're on some terrible drugs, or you're doing some kind of bad thing, or you're just crazy, or you're just mental in your head or something. But at the same time, they don't realize that you're a comedian and you're making people laugh. And that's what comedians do. No comedian that you know is really mental. But to be a comedian, you have to act crazy and funny to make people laugh. Now, if you don't have the skill of being funny and crazy and to make people laugh, you are not able to make people laugh because you just can't make people laugh. Now, if you're an open person, just be who you are and be what you are and make a natural sense that God gave you come out and just be yourself. Nothing is wrong with that. If somebody want to call you crazy, at least it's putting you far. It's providing food on your table. It's making you live your life. You don't have to outside prostituting yourself. You don't have to out there doing all this. And they can show in somebody else. They can be bold with themselves. And they also, instead of thinking about commit suicide and all bad things is and they're giving up, you can go ahead and make your videos too and open your YouTube channel. If you're bold, don't let somebody tell you that you don't have a right to be or you got to be. Because you never know how the world would like you. You never know how much meaning you bring to somebody else's life. So you can't worry about how one person or two persons or even 10 or 15 people feel when millions of people is going to like you. When you have thousands of people following you, how are you going to care about one or two people, what they think? You don't want to feel bad because one or two, these are people that likes you. These are people that watch you. But some people, they like the entertainment, but they still want to bring you down. Simply because they're jealous, they're envy, and they can't be like you. And they find a problem that they feel like they're better looking and they feel like they have it all and they still can't be like you. Something at them is lost because you're only thinking about a pretty face and think about you're ugly, I'm so pretty, and I'm so this and I'm so that, look at you, and try to bring somebody down. It's because the person is better than you, because you're not going to take a precious time to stand by, to go by that person line, to go on their live, to bring them down while you have no fucking shit going on for you. You're trying to be a star on a person line by bringing it down and trying to get people to laugh at your jokes, to feel as if you got something going for you, but you're not going to be a star on my line. The simple fact that I'm the only one here that entertains with people. I don't want to call myself star, but the people said I am, so I'll go with that. Okay? I think I'm just a regular person that loves people, but if people say that, I will go with that. Because I'm not here to say I'm a star and I'm this and I'm bragging. I'm not like that. I'm humble as a motherfucker. Because I ain't got dry shit in my ass. And if I do, I will be still fucking humble. But like I'm said to you, you know, I come to make jokes and laugh with people. And only people with good sense of humor and good sense will understand it's just comedy. She's just making us laugh. You know, even the hair and the stuff that you're wearing and how she do the makeup is just for the whole entire thing. Because she's a, you know, she's an entertainer. She entertains us. She come on with the hair. She come on with the, you know, make a little difference. We ain't seen her. Put on like a yellow ear and it's something. She come on and she entertain me. She take her precious time to do that. You know, she could be watching a TV show, doing her exercise and enjoying her life otherwise. Yesterday was her birthday. She come on to tell everybody, thank you for supporting me for my birthday. Thank you for all the love and joy and every wishes you sent to me. Thank you. Out of appreciation. Then I come on early and then my clothes was kind of pulling down. And that video was real nice, the first one, but we had to destroy it. Because I know that people that do not like me is going to go and send that in and say, look, the little part of my clothes when I bend down, you know, when it look apart, they so show. And if I show really open it, but you know they're going to do that. And they're going to try to screenshot and they're going to open it up and try to make it worse than what it is and try to so I can't come on and talk to you guys. So I said instead of that, might as well just get rid of it, even though it was really funny and I would have really enjoyed watching that because I laughed till I cried. But I got to do that because I wasn't able to talk to you guys for another whole month, if that's the case or something. And that wouldn't be right. So that's why it is destroyed. I'm so sorry because that was so funny as well. And then as I was doing the second one, I tell you guys, I'm going to come back. I destroyed that one because I was wearing the same clothes. And I know somebody could take the picture before and take the same clothes and send it in and act like it's that video and then report that video. You know what I mean? Because it's the same clothes and tell lies. I know they do this shit to me all the time so much that I've learned them. So even though I verify all my stuff to Facebook before, because I know they send a copy report before that never work out, I just want to be safe, so I just destroy it, guys. So I lose too because it was funny. And everything just come out of a moment of a time. I don't know what's going to happen. So when you lose something like that, you lose a big piece. But I'd rather do that than somebody using that against me to tell lies on me. Like they did before while I'm not getting commercial break anymore. And then you guys came to me for a while. And then they sit on the live and then they do their live like it's their crowd and don't give a damn about me. So I'd rather do that, you know, more than... I could always come back on live tomorrow and so on. It's okay. So in life, you know, you got to know what you want out of life. And really, if you have a talent and you want to use it, I have many talents. And I haven't got the right help yet, like to really do the right thing or to make the right song the way I want to write it. The way I want to sing it and the way I want to do on different things. But in time, if that's what God wants to do, He will send the helping hand. All right? In this time, I can go further up. I know for DJ, I know for write song, I do enough. I still have enough for the studio put on. So I need to go bigger. I need to get somebody that really want to do music with me, want to put my record out there, to have connection. That's what I need. I you know, otherwise from that, I just continue to do my thing. And if it happens, it happens. You know, I have faith in God. You know, or end up getting a show. Because I like doing shows also. Interviewing people, talk about different things and so on. So something will happen. Because I have that faith. You know what I mean? But I'm going to continue on my journey by doing the same thing I was doing before, by entertaining the people. Because you have to start somewhere. Nobody get up one day and they just become popular and they just make $1 million right away. It doesn't work like that. When you're getting popular, you're going to continue getting popular and getting popular so much until bam, one day you get a call. Somebody want to sign you to something because you have so much people because you're so no popular. So when you continue getting popular like me, I don't mind. And whether or not I was doing this before because I was getting popular, you guys request video and I continue doing videos for you guys. I wasn't doing it to say I'm going to go to Hollywood, I'm going to get big, but no, I'm looking forward to see whatever it may come to. Because I'm putting in the work for so many years and I will continue putting in the work. I'm not going to let because somebody say you're ugly, you're this, you're that. I'm going to stop coming and entertaining people that love me, that sending tips to me, that buying my cream and being there for me. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to continue coming here and be myself for the ones who love me, for the ones who laugh and enjoy it and just have a sense of humor and just know that it's nothing, you know. This woman is a good woman inside. There's an intelligent woman inside. You know, this woman is not a stupid woman. With about like stupid man all about and all them thing. It's not that kind of party, but she like to make jokes, she like to make fun. And it's just whatever comes up when you let yourself free. That's how I be. I'm not putting on when I'm doing that. I'm just let myself free. Now I'm being serious talking to you. You have to let somebody's knuckleheads know. Because they don't have no brain. They come in here, they start to put you down as a black woman, saying this, saying that. And that's what they do. And if you tell the truth, it makes sense you complain about it. Because it's not going to do no good. Because not everybody's going to like you. And I understand that. But if you don't like me, you don't have to come in my fucking way. You don't have to come in my way. Stay out of my way if you don't like me. Because I'm not pulling you in my way. Now, if you find that I'm entertaining and you enjoy it, just relax and laugh. Don't start complaining and complaining, still hanging on the line and complaining. It's like somebody come in your house and they fucking complaining while they're in your house, then come out the person's house. It's like somebody walk in your house and they start complaining. I don't like your TV. I don't like your furniture. Move this, move that, this, that. Come on, the people in my house, them don't know you. It's sort of like that. You can't get fucking somebody's house, my nigga. You can't go in nobody's house and act like that. Act like a fucking big pussy ungrateful bitch. You can't do that. Or a small dick motherfucker with no fucking sense. You can't do that. I hate when a nigga got a small dick and he got a big ass chest. If you know your dick is small, man, and you know your dick is small, stop acting like that. Stop acting like you're so cute and you want to find faults of girls. You're too fat and I don't want a girl this and you got to be in perfect shape and I pick with a woman when your dick so small. Stop do that, man. You know your fucking dick small, just take what you could get and be nice to fucking women. I hate when a guy's dick is small and he act like that. If your dick is fucking small and want to act like you're so bad and you're so, I'm so nice and she's like, that bitch, she's so fat and act like you're so hard to get when people want to fuck you and act like I don't want a pussy because, you're too fat or you're too ugly for me and wouldn't want to talk to you. Act like you're better off than a fucking woman. When nobody now look, you go fuck the woman because you have a nice body, when you realize your dick fucking small. All of a fucking pretty face. I don't like when they act like that. The fucking nigga coming up fucking pretty face and you got a small ass dick. Your fucking face is pretty as motherfucker and your dick is small. Small ass dick. And you want to act like you're better off than somebody. You want to act like you want to play somebody. You don't want nobody to come to your house, somebody to meet your family and shit. You want to come to somebody else and fuck when you want and hang out and act like you're better because you better be fucking like a straight nose. You might look good. You don't do shit like that, man. I hate a small ass dick with a big fucking chest. Telling you, man, small ass dick with a big fucking chest. Your chest so big and you so high, your dick so small. Come on. Fucking come down a little, nigga. At least if you be look a bit nice and a bitch know your dick small, she ain't gonna tell nobody. Cause like this nigga is so fucking cool, my nigga. His dick is small, but I don't wanna tell nobody. Cause he's cool as hell. The nigga treat me good. The nigga was nice and respectful, you know what I mean? You kinda feel pity for him. You don't wanna go fucking tell nobody like that nigga dick is so small, you don't wanna go fuck him, you know? You don't wanna do that. But when a nigga act like he's so nice and then act like he see you in the street and shit, and you walking out the street, you know that nigga was at your house last night, and he fucking act like he don't know you because he sees fucking friends. Like, you're not good enough for him because he sees fucking friends. That's what I hate. I don't like that. I don't. And I remember this happened to me before. I don't like that, man. You want to act like, just flash way down here like that. I don't like that. A nigga come to your house and him talking and you like him and all that shit. And he come and fuck and stuff for the whole night and shit and he gone. Out the road you pass, out the road now. You see him out there hanging out with his boys and shit. You passing, looking good and shit. You're walking about, it's like, hi, you're passing inside, because all the niggas wanted to fuck you too, because your body looked good, but they couldn't get you. But him is the one that you be with, you know what I mean? When he don't know, him act like, say, he don't know you. He act like him and everybody else had to see him. When they say hi, it's like he never want to say hi to you, and they don't want people to say hi, and act like he never know you. And you say, what the fuck? And you walk pass back down again after you done buy food, or you go buy passing back down there, and he still not fucking know you. You never walk up to you and say, baby, you alright? You need something or nothing? No, you turn up with him friend and they can't go like he don't fucking know you. When it's small ass dick. I know same fucking dick small. I hate when they do that. I hate when you do that. Wanna act like you're better off than somebody a fucking dick small. You can't reach. You put the fucking dick in and you could feel a little bit of something like your finger. Fucking thing small. And by the time you try to do that, it come already. You know no use. You wonder you try to feel what feel for sitting going in. Nothing can go in. You want to look up piece of soft, wet up sitting in your feel. Wet up and soft. Eh? Like a small, like a wet fish. We take out a fucking fish tank we dead. Yo, so something happened to me in life, you see. Let me tell you something. Better allow me and go on. But I have to tell us to stop coming and writing Israeli language per here because I don't like it. If I can't speak English, do not write anything on this motherfucking line. Good. No, I'm gonna take a big bite and finish the cucumber, Mike. You know, easy take a big bite and finish that cucumber, Mike, so you can rest yourself holding it forever. Go to hear something else. I love you. Pick up yourself. Fuck is this at all? Let's see, Olivet can't read. It's alright. Eh? It's alright, baby. She can't read. Right up on the shit pan there. She can't read, you see? Right up on the shit pan there, man. Motherfucking mama big pussy. Right up on there. Right up on the mama big pussy. Because some of the mama pussy so big, me don't know who's still alive. Big up North Carolina in the fucking house, mama. Big up yourself. They don't know a comedy from... They don't know real life. Eh? They don't know comedy, man. They don't know they want things to be mad. I mean, I care if they think to be mad, you know. Because the whole world is fucking mad right now. Why is what Israeli people on here? Who are you? Me tell them they can't speak English, me I get to know half of this motherfucker. Don't come on here writing up shit because I don't trust you, no Ahmed or no Ahmed, Bumbleclot, Hall or whatever I don't want to name. I get down it on English line because I don't know what y'all talking about in your language. I don't want it on here. You could be planning to fucking kill me. I'm going to block y'all mother's cunt. Speak English or get the fuck off. If you notice, my line is English. You know, some kind of crab writing pan here like a China writing. We don't know what that means. We need to speak English. If you can't write that blood clot, take your mama thinking all and come off, yeah. This is not want to come and jerk off. This is not a jerk off blood clot site. This is not a come me site over this pussy. But don't talk to no blood clot radio. I mean, I joke and skin teeth to no wombo clot rumpus motherfucker. When I rank like a bull puss to blood clot. You not gonna happen over here. I'm sorry. I can't help but to be my fucking self. Don't write up them shit here on my line. I'm gonna block you. Alright, me start block them. Mother scunt. I speak English or I get the fuck off. I can't be planning to blow up my fucking phone, my nigga. I ain't trust y'all motherfuckers. Can't be want to plan to blow up my goddamn phone in my hand while I'm sitting here. And blow off my fucking head, my nigga. Get off this mother scunt, my nigga. I'ma hang up y'all people because, yo, there's a lot of them on this fucking line here. And they could make your fucking phone blow up in your hand, my nigga. That shit ain't no fucking joke, dog. I'm dead serious, man. That shit is getting out of hand. It's like a whole army of these motherfuckers on here. What y'all planning to do, me dog? Man, what I do, my nigga? What y'all doing, my dog, man? I love y'all, man. You know I love the Middle East and all that, man. I love all of y'all, man. Y'all don't do this shit, man. I love y'all, man. Don't do this shit. Just write English so I could understand you, my nigga. How I'm gonna reply to you if I don't understand what the fuck you say, my nigga? Yeah, I love you too, man. I don't care if the Pakistan don't take shower either. I love them too, because they jerk off a lot, you know. Yeah, they lose a lot of grease and shit, man. I tell you, the world need grease in the hurt. I tell you, the oil, they suck out the oil, they sell all over again. But I tell you, some shit is going on here tonight, boy, I tell you. And the dog with the tongue and the lips, what the fuck is this? I don't know what's going on here now. The dog with the tongue and the lips, I don't know what's going on here, child. I don't know what y'all doing or what y'all trying to do. But I tell you, I'm staying the fuck out of it. But what I don't understand, I don't want to understand, motherfucker. Don't cry for me, Argentina. The truth is you never loved me. Even in my wild days, I keep my promise. Don't cry for me, Argentina. The truth is you never loved me. Even in my wild days, you changed my appearance. Don't cry for me. I know when I get silly like this, I say, no, bitch, I ain't sung no dick. I tell you, I've been sanctified with the blood of the Lord. Be washing my goddamn head and say, bitch, you can't be sucking no dick. You gonna come clean now, bitch. You gonna testify. You gonna call them out. Say, bitch, you better baptize and stop sucking dick, I tell you. That's why you're still in Murray looking for your baby father, because you won't stop swallowing the human eggs. Child, I tell you, you've been 5 times tested. Oh, he's not a father. Second one, he's not a father. Damn. Shit. Fucking shit. Fucking itch. Fuck, like, fuck, get up in my damn nose. Fucking shit. You get tired. Like, what the fuck? This piece of cat ears hung up in this shit. This shit is wet, cleaned out, good and shit. Fuck one time. Fucking bitch, you shut up now. I feel like something in there again, you feel it. Shit go all the way up in that motherfucker. I get so ignorant. Maybe it's a bog or something. You know what I'm saying? Things in life trying to fuck with you, man. You say, damn. You know, we talking to the battery for the phone die, my nigga. The battery's like, I'm dead, motherfucker. You dead now, don't you, bitch? I know you would die soon. We talking till his fuck die. Tell me who could talk until the phone die, bitch? Who could talk until the phone die, bitch? Cocky that the sucking bitch, you know, you never switch. Like a chicken head, bitch, you know you got the edge to the sucking to the cock in the throat, no switch. Human egg for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, bed. Human egg. Yo, I love you all to the max, man. Now give a fuck, we're gonna go to Olivet, son. We're gonna blaze the shit. It's hot like the sun. Blaze the battery till the phone is done. We keep on talking so the bitch keep on come. Yo, bitch, stop spreading your pussy for $1.05 for the chicken wings. From the Chinese, that shit not gonna make you stay alive. Stop selling your pussy, man, for the 4 wings. Yo, they even giving the real French fry. The fucking Chinese want to suck it through your fucking eye. They give you dog rib tip. Yeah, they talk about a rat fried rice. They say it's so nice. You take it to the nigga, talk about you cook your rice full of spice. Nigga know that's rat rice. You never know why the nigga ain't come back. He ain't come back no more to check you because you're cooking the rat. He smelled the shit like a dead-ass cat. You never want to come back to your house. Talk about motherfucker, you want to time with the other man to your big-ass cat. Yo, bitch, you got a layout. What the fuck you talk about? You want to take a nigga to the man to tie his dick to your pussy. Now I know your pussy so big, squishy. Every time you try to put it in, your pum-pum start to make noise. Like a paper, like a magazine. You say, damn, I thought you was the queen. How come you're so slack in between? You ain't tight on the screen. I want the pussy tight to squeeze me. Make it squeeze me. But the pussy tight to make you squeeze me. You got a needle hole, girl. You got a needle hole so small like a needle. Yeah, squeeze this needle like a dumpling. Up in it, baby. I wanna hop in you something. To Hollywood now we go, we say. Don't worry about that hip-hop come my way. Yeah, my nigga in the record, I'm gonna slay. Wish a goal on the record, gotta make it to the top. Cause the million gotta come, you know we gotta make it drop. Yo, man, the money to come like a newspaper stock. When I walk outside, I want a big broad hat. When bitches wanna see me, they wanna suck my cock. I gotta strap it on, I gotta lay it back. Yo, you don't give a fuck when you talk about being rude. These bitches wanna suck me off, that's so fucking cruel. You ain't gonna suck my blood and let me lose my soul. I'ma let them suck my balls to the sperm be old. Yo, you swallow a human egg, that's the secret you ain't told. But yo, I tell you now, I gotta make it to the top, to the gold record, man. time this fucking thing. What could it cost me? It's right up. And they clean it good enough. Look. I tell you. It's a nice plastic surgery. Feel fresh and clean and wash the nose. When you wash your nose, you wash your nose. Hey, boo, you gotta wash your nose. Like a toe blow to something to blow the smoke. You gotta wash your nose. Yo, you ain't feeling fresh until you stuck this shit. Yeah, man. Yo, you never so horny before. You wanna fuck this shit. Yo, I'm talking about your big ass pussy, bitch. Deep throat you switch. Yo, you wanna take this in like a magnet in your belly. Like a whale, bitch. You wanna swallow it till it's swelly. Stop calling up my name, Olivet Smelly. Oh, I tell you again. Yo, I love you, man. Cause we don't worry about what they say to me. Yo, God is the only one I pray to be. Yo. So they sell their soul for quantity. And they sell their soul for vanity. Yo. Gotta make it in Hollywood. Gotta make it and it's so good. Gotta make it in Hollywood. Yo, I gotta make it, it's so good. Face to face. Don't like me with a mace to face. Talk about the money that I chase. Ain't got no time for no worship, no tongue on the worship. Words is on the waist. Right now the money I wanna get. Oh, my soul I never sell, bitch. Go to hell. Never tell you that I'm gonna switch, bitch. That you're talking your mouth full of shit, bitch. That's why your asshole full of shit that you itch, bitch. Listen me now. It's chiking. Now hold the mic, I keep on micing. While they sit down with my name, they keep on typing. But right now, one big study, like the socks is striping. Beautiful we are, beautiful everywhere. We're beautiful star, look at what we wear. Yo, yo. It's amazing how you're pretty and you're sexy girl. Sexy girl and you're sexy girl. Amazing how you're pretty and you're sexy girl. Sexy girl, this is sexy. So you're sexy like a Pepsi. Dash upon a Pepsi. Sexy like a Pepsi. Dash upon a Pepsi. Yo, yo. We say jiggle it, jiggle it, jiggle it, Jew. Some of them can't make it jiggle, no boo. We say jiggle it, jiggle it, jiggle it, boo. Some of them can't make it jiggle it, boo. Oh, cause we sexy like a Bessie. That's why they want to stress me. Running from Miss Jamaica. On the way, look at me, Miss Jamaica 2018. Now I know, Miss Jamaica 2018. Oh, you don't see me yet. What you waiting for, bitch? My star make you fret. What is it, bitch? Come on, do your shit. 2018. I am the queen and I'm here the queen, man. Yo. You never see the motherfucking man. Oh. Yo. Destination, we're trying. Oh, fuck. Yo. Yo, sting me up and sting and oh. Sting me, I said, sing and chuck up on the girl limp. You want bubble and the wine, cause you're full of power. Girl, you full of power, gun, man, you full of power. Wine up your body, cause you full of power. Full of power, gun, girl, you full of power. Me have come like a breadfruit root. Me have wine, me, I tell you the truth. My body pretty in a pancoat. Full of power like a breadfruit. Me have gum like a breadfruit root. Breadfruit root. Me have gum like a breadfruit root. Come me tell you the truth. This somebody in a pancoat. One want it about him a root. Me have the gum like a breadfruit root. Breadfruit root. Yes, thing shut on lady Simon. Breadfruit root, me say breadfruit root. Me have to come like a breadfruit root. What want to fuck me on the breadfruit root? Me a tell her say it's sweet me in truth. Come me tight and gummy like the breadfruit root. At the time of the breadfruit root, and the breadfruit me chew is for chew. As me roast the breadfruit for chew, and the run over me boil on for chew, make the breadfruit root. Pum pum sweet like a breadfruit root. So the breadfruit come in at the breadfruit root, and the breadfruit come in at the breadfruit root, and they come in at the breadfruit root, and they come in at the breadfruit root, and they want them to say me a brute. But the breadfruit root, sit down on the girl cause you have to come. Sit down on the girl cause you know you're not done. Sit down on the girl at the breadfruit root. Breadfruit, are your root. Breadfruit root. Pokey dog girl. So you're fat, you run like a kitty. They want to talk about are you a kitty? Fat like a kitty. Girl run like a kitty. They want to talk about the kitty, me say. What girl are you? Are the kitty? Are the new kitty? Are the kitty? I said, are the kitty? Ah, run girl, run cause your body it's real. They're quite nice and fat like a breadfruit root. Come in your kitty. Come in your cat. Come in your kitty, me say, come in your cat. Come in your kitty, me say, come in your cat. Come in your kitty, me say, come in your cat. Come in your kitty, me say. Elam Brasclot. What do you want to tell me, say? The little bit of lamp, I make try to escape out of the hand. The battery should be way by this, so Lord, the light still plugged in though. It's not in total darkness yet. The devil wants to come alive. And he wants to come and let's come in and make kitty. 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 Come in the kitty. Why the girl bite you off? The girl bite that big cocky head before cause I wrote too much. Who wants that cheek for the girl? People look what you do to bite that good head. One would have bleed. You fuck you. Bite the girl, destroy the garment of the wicked. Me say tear down the head and split the eye. In a body. Why? The hood want bite. Me say Bobette, she cut off the hood, Mrs. Bobette. She cut off the body and throw it up to the snow land, call the ambulance when they come put it back ready. Why the woman cut off me hood head? Why? JBC, NBC, the CNN News, me hood out the door. The white man said, Lord, woman cut off me hood. Me couldn't believe me just come from Jamaica, come and put her in the news. When me go on the news, me a man say. She come inside and she was upset and she cut it off and threw it to the window. Me said, but wait, cut off what? The man said, no wood head. I said, name on my ras. Me said, find it on the snow and try to sew on the back. And it actually go on back, but it's really ill-shaped after the pump blood through it. I already got a terrible head now. The head look really bad. The head kind of look like this. Oh, child, that was a job you do there. Cut that motherfucker off. Hey, the last woman I heard cut off in Jamaica, she put the nigga mouth. She told him soak it after she cut off. She know nigga was dying and she still didn't soak his own dick while he died. That's a terrible death, sucking your own dick while you die. What the fuck is this? I tell you, this shit could get you in trouble, you horse dick motherfucker. You're a motherfucker of horse dick and think because you're a nice horse dick, you could walk around and disrespect women. They will bite that motherfucker down. And you will only get shorter. And dissipating, and it won't work. As you see inside, all the veins already pop open. It just won't work after this. After my mother say, some are on the good for this, on the good for this, on the good for this. Oh, land, gal, you're only good for this. Open your mouth, gal, you're good for this. Gal, you're only good for this. You have to open your mouth, gal, you're good for this. Open your mouth, gal, you're good for this. Hey, gal, you're good for this. Open your mouth, girl, you're good for this. So your throat, girl, you're good for this. Sperm collector, you're good for this. You don't think girl say you're good for this. You want to go and get a good for this? You don't think girl get good for this. Sperm collector get a good for this. What me and mouth get a good for this. So you want me to good for this? Show me your throat get a good for this. Say me fluffy body cause he fluff and he ready. Say me fluffy body cause he fluff. The sardine, 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 and they can. Sardine, 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 the fit of the sardine. Sardine, sardine, sardine. Give me down to fit of the sardine. Sardine, you want sardine queen? No, we can miss it, the sardine. And the African gets the sardine. And it's sweet, and we tell us it clean. I mean, I'm up the damn sardine. And the rice and peas sardine. Sardine, sardine. So the girls say young sardine. Go up pussy in the smell like sardine. If I pussy in the smell like sardine. Cause you're young to the damn sardine. Up your pussy in the smell like sardine. And if you tell you know what I mean. Sardine, sardine, sardine. Sardine. Cause you're young to my fucking sardine. Suck it, baby. Come on. Do it fast and do it long. Do it slim and do it strong. Hello, somebody. Yeah. Where did it go? Where did it go, girl? Right in the goddamn choke, bitch. Where did it go? Where did it go, bitch? Right in your damn throat. You nasty motherfucker. You lay off me, bitch. You lay off me. Lady shit on the goddamn throat. You fucking joke, man. I wanna get your bitch. Hey, man. What else? No, I think if I go on to bed, the whole thing gonna collapse down. So, fuck. I tell you, the devil is a liar. I can't get no peace in your own house. I keep going at this till morning light sometime. Like, what the fuck? What I did, man? Come on now. Why can't I live my life no more? And just walking around with this damn shit up and down like, in some fun food, man. I don't want nobody nothing. I said nothing till the lamb falling on the bed. Can you see the light? Yeah. I said nothing. Oh, nothing. Ooh. Yeah. I see I need to fix the ceiling. This piece of ceiling keep falling on the bed, man. And I fix this damn ceiling and paint this shit. It's been long enough. I need the guys to come and do it. So I'm not going to do it myself. When the guys in the building do it, because I know this shit is going to crack up some and fall out and paint over that now. When they come and clean off and do it. They're supposed to come and fix the window next week, so when you come. Draw me nearer, nearer. Saw some bait say to the deck. Draw me nearer, 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 precious dick. Draw me nearer. That's all they pray. Bitch want Indian air, and the crosses you want me for bear. You want to swim me down fucking gear, cause you didn't want the damn Indian air. How much cocky you suck? So the money you spend on your broke. By the Indian era you a dog. Girl go on and you up on the truck. Lord Jesus to carry no got. But you walk about the man, I talk about the man bank food fat. Hey girl, if you go on, you a fraud, you a fraud. Tag along, bitch, tag along, bitch, tag along. Or if you take plane and go to New York, some little fucking little soft man on your back. And no money in a shot, but you a hot girl. You don't know if you thief man money and for a man. Make man give money if you go spend. Buy all kind of food and hand. Hey girl, you're an idiot. You don't know if make man give money for you. Talk about I know me, I know him, I know this, I know that, I know what, I know rat, I know fucking pussy rat. Motherfucker, give your money, that's that. Don't fucking make your pussy like a damn food. Like a $2.99 burger, yeah, sell. Now make the man come serve for your salad and don't give your pussy hell. Make them give your money for your mama wall, yes, yeah. Make them give you the fucking cent, you nasty control, you. You must get a girl what you deserve, you fucking old. Ay. Listen. I am going to bed. I love you. to bed. I love you. I'm going to bed. But tomorrow, I'll be back on, bitches. And I'll be back on for you nasty little hoes. And I'll be back on to tell you now, you can bring me down, honey. I'm way too high for you to bring me goddamn down. It's not going to happen, baby. No, no excuse today. My eyes are shining like a morning star. You could tell these damn eyes going to be some celebrity eyes, girl. Them shit is shining like they got some money in them damn eyes. I just a devil in them. I don't know, something ain't right about this shit. I tell you, look at them damn eyes. They're fucking scared bitch. What happened to your eyes? I see something shining in my damn eyes. Some shiny shit in my damn eyes. What the fuck is that? What the fuck? What is that shit in my eye? Got some shit in my damn eye. You seen that shit in my eye? So, you seen that shit in my damn eye, yo? Don't tell me I ain't seen right. I seen some shiny shit in my eye, like diamond in my damn eyeball. Two of them like some two diamond in my two damn eyeball. What the hell is happening to me now? Now I look like I don't sell my goddamn soul. I'm turned to some kind of beast. Because I don't know, but I ain't got no money. When did this happen without me taking place and I ain't know nobody? At least I make some money, that motherfucker. I ain't going down like that for no at all. Come on now. Don't do this. Don't do this. No, don't do it. Don't do it. No bother with it. Not even one time. Yeah. Yeah, shining like I seen fucking money, my niggas. I ain't seen shit but dick all my life. Fuck it telling me. She's shining like I'm seeing fucking money. All I see is dick all my life. I ain't seen the money. I ain't seen no damn money. I seen the Lord words though. The Lord said, be kind, be gentle, and, repent. More dry like a bitch. More kind of start looking like when bitch sucking dicks all day, they ain't eat nothing. They ain't get to McDonald's line yet. Fuck. Fuck is this? Damn, you talk so much. You might have a right to be white like you're sucking dick around it. You thought that much you can't get no privacy no more in your life. The phone is dead, so might as well I keep talking till it's fucking cut off. It's dying, my nigga. It's dying any fucking way, you know what I mean? I love you too. Who the fuck wanna cry? Just cry, man. It's just comedy, man. Don't fucking take shit so serious. Life is not that. You fucking die, you're going to casket, my nigga. Just like that, you're gone, man. Just laugh the fucking way, enjoy your life, my nigga. Don't be like how some people want to be, you know. Nobody know what tomorrow gonna bring, man. Just laugh, man. That's all I'm here for, man. You know what I mean? I don't believe in like living your life in sad and all kind of earthly things like money, can't pay your bills and other shit. You know, you want to get done, you can't even get fucking done. And you're going to sit there and just hang up on that shit, make it kill you. Laugh the fucking way. Try to find some oodle noodles, eat that motherfucker. That's what I used to do. I used to eat them damn oodle noodles and still come on here and make people laugh who got a big dinner. I got money in the bank and I didn't have shit. And I still come on here without no food and eat oodle noodles and make them laugh and be happy. Because they might have money, but they wasn't happy. So that's what life is about. Just sharing your thoughts, being yourself, and make it useful if you can make somebody happy. You know what I mean? Don't worry about what people feel and this and that. And people always going to talk about you. Whether you're good, whether you're bad, whether you're Christian, whether you're priest, whether you're pastor, whether you're virgin, whether you're not, whether you're man, whether you're woman. If people are going to talk, whether you have children, whether you're not, it's people always going to have something to say. It's just a human being. So just live your life and just live it out loud. Live your day like it's the last day. Don't be afraid to be yourself. Outspoken. Be funny with it. Laugh with it. Enjoy your life and your family. And do the best you can. You know what I mean? I think my mom said when my sister was looking for me, I don't have a problem with my sister calling me. I don't have a problem with that. You know what I mean? I love my sisters. You know what I mean? I love my mom too, but I just don't want to be in a mix-up. Yeah, so, you know, I just don't want to be this kind of thing. I just want to move forward in my life. You know, being happy and joyful and just make people laugh. That's what I like to do. And I think it's a good way. It makes me laugh too. It makes me happy too. And we both get satisfaction. I go on my life. I eat my food. I try to do my exercise. I don't mix up with people. I don't hang out. I don't go around people and hang out with a bunch of people I don't know. I don't go party. Like you guys know, I don't drink alcohol since 1999. I do not drink alcohol. I don't like the smell of alcohol and I don't drink it. I don't do drugs. No one that might smoke a lick of trees because I don't smoke cigarette. I don't go party. I don't hang out in people's house and hang around people. I'm always in my house if I'm not doing business. I live a life very quiet. So my life is quite different. So when I come on here, let me enjoy myself, because I don't go around laughing outside up and down in people's house and all about to hang out. I'm basically always alone. If not me and Berry, or I say hi to Jay. I'm in and out, do my business, sell my cream, mix up my stuff. If I gotta go buy something in Jamaica Avenue, I go and buy it. I buy some food, I buy a pizza, I come back in my house, and that's it. So I live my life basically simple like that. You know, that way I won't be no mix up. No problem with anybody, because people get jealous of you as you're talking and you get a couple of numbers. People want to pick fight with you. They always want to make simple things out into big things because they want to draw you out. They want the crowd of people to know about them. They want to be known by the public, and they want to be known by the people that you know. So before you see that coming, be that type of psychic power, I can pick up on people when they want to start shit and when they're doing shit. So by the time they come, I don't face them. Either I send the cream to them, or I just drop the cream real quick and turn my back. I don't keep up any conversation because I know what they're made of and I know what they're looking for. So you have different kind of people come along, but I can read people. And I can see when people want to make trouble with you just for nothing, just to make a big deal for people to know about them. So it's best to just stay by yourself, stay out of trouble, be humble, pray to God, come on here, make a joke, make people happy, and go my way. When I come back up, I have time for exercise. That's a great thing I'm doing nowadays, is working out, because I didn't realize I was so badly out of shape. I was really badly out of shape, but I can feel a difference now. I feel real better while I'm doing it. It feels really good. Because at first, I couldn't even lift my legs up that much as to put in the chair and lift it up like that. I couldn't do it. So for the last couple of days, it's doing good. You know, your blood. Like I said, I know I was dead. When I say about that, people might say it sounds crazy, so she was dead. But what I mean by that I was dead, I mean that I was truly dead. Because I said, wait a minute, I got to plug this in here. Hold on. Oh, I'm going to have to plug out the other light, though. I have to plug out the other light to do that. Let me see. Just for a minute, because it's going dead. So I'm going to finish. I'm going to cut off one finish, what I'm saying. Alright, so alright, what I was basically saying, right? When I said I know I was dead, that's like seriously, right? I'm going to show you something. And people, if you take this shit as a warning, it's a serious thing, right? When I say you're really dead, basically, when you're not exercising for a while, especially a person that used to exercise, and you're eating, you start to eat, like you go clean, and you cleanse your body, and you start to go back to bad food, like you started eating fried chicken and stuff, and started eating the other day, and go back for like a while, and I started feeling funny. It's like, I ain't feeling like myself. I'm feeling too heavy and weighty walking around, you know, because you're not exercising neither. And it's a person that used to exercise a lot, and you haven't exercised good for the last 7-8 months, you know, it's a lot. Because you don't have to really work out, like really work out, if you had to eat and continue doing it, right? So anyway, now I'm here, and a couple of days ago I was there, and I said, no man, something not right with me. So to myself said, I not feel right, I not feel my heartbeat. I'm not feeling my heartbeat. So I checked my pulse, and when I checked my pulse, I realized my heartbeat is so low. My heartbeat is so low. I mean, it's too damn low. So when me check and see my heartbeat so low, I was like, no, I'm fucking dead. I am so fucking close to death. I'm walking around, but I'm close to fucking death because my heartbeat is too fucking low. My heartbeat is so fucking low. I'm telling you, people, you could know that you're dying. Your heartbeat is so damn low. You feel your pulse is so low. And then your body cranky. All your foot them feel stiff. Your leg them feel stiff. Like you can't bend over and touch your toe. You're in a bad shape. And me as a person, to touch my toe is nothing. I could bend my whole body in two. But I said to myself, I'll pump some life into this body. The body I go dead. So your exercise is important. You will die. I'm dead serious to y'all. Man. A couple of days ago, I said, don't know me, but I'm too weak. This not right. I'm fucking dying. I'm like close to death. I'm walking around. You can be walking around, you're close to death, and people are going to bed and dead. Some people say dead, and I say them good yesterday. They never good yesterday. Them heartbeat was too low yesterday. Way too low. Everything slow down, exercise and, slow down. Too much. You need to pick it up and get your heart rhythm up going and get your heart beating. So everything in your body could work, your blood could circulate to your brain, your foot, everywhere. So you have headache and kind of sit happen to you. You want to feel so sluggish and I get headache. And it happened to me. I mess up when my pulse so low. When I realize my pulse so low, I say, what fuck, I'm dead. I am not far from fucking dead. It's too low. That's how I'm feeling so weak. It's too low. And I have to get up, you see, and start to bend over and stretch myself out and start to stretch. And take my staff and start to do my little squats and stretch. And take my staff and start to lift the weight them. And when we start to do that, to get the heart pumping, you can actually feel when the blood pumping through your heart. For sure that it was really in a bad situation. When you start to do it in the blood, you can feel it kind of pain. It give you a smile like a pain for the blood pump through your heart. It pain you a bit. Because the heart start to pump so much now, it's that the heart can't manage the amount of oxygen you're trying to put in at one time. Right? Because the heart was so low. So you are a person can be walking around and feel good in a taxi, you can't get in your bed and sleep, it's just too low. So you always check your pulse and see it's too low, your heartbeat is too low. That's no good. When you start to work out, you move around and start to do some kind of exercise, you can check. And if your heart remains very loud, like boom, boom, like it's supposed to be strong, you're good to go. But if your heartbeat is very low, you not feel it up in your chest or nothing, you're not bad condition. You're not bad, you're close to death. You can get a stroke or anything bad could happen to you. You need to get the blood circulate through your whole entire body and through your brain and your hands. So me I walk out and I feel like my hand kind of hurt me. So I saw the result, my hand hurt me, like peeing up, like, I said, what the fuck? I realize it is just too low. The rhythm of my heart is just too damn low. Need to exercise. Need to not go out and place and buy them more 5 pieces of fried chicken and I'm 5 pieces a day before. 4 pieces of start crazy. I stop eating bad food for so long I went back and eat that. You know what I mean? It gets just too low and I wasn't exercising. So I realized that I started pumping, I do my exercise and it come back to regular rhythm now. So now I'm back on the regular, but I can feel it because I feel great. And I can do a lot more squats like I see me do there. And me I breathe, it's very good. Because at first I was doing it wasn't like that. So by doing the squats and doing everything, you pump your back and you go to go and my face started to change. My face started to look more younger, more smoother. So that's why I'm just trying to show you a little experience of mine. So if you're feeling this way, you will know what's happening to you before you have a stroke or anything go bad. You will know to get up and start the exercise right away. All right? Either you're going to go to the gym and go on the treadmill. Because I'm planning to do that soon, a couple of days or something. I'll try to go down the full time. I have some treadmill down there. I think there's a crunch down there or something. Come and do my exercise now. So but it's good to have a treadmill. Like you can go up on the treadmill and walk for a while, you know? It's good. You understand? It's good for your heart. Because your heart slow down too much until you get a freaking heart attack or a stroke. Your heart too slow down, way down too much. It's like your body dying slowly. You not pay attention to yourself. You're putting bad food. And you yam up your gut full up the soul sitting on food. And your heart rhythm is just too low. You need to get that body working. You need to get the body working. Now you can't eat and wake up and steady all the time. Even though I open up on the train and get me started and stuff, it's still not enough. Because your body wasn't built for you to stay inside an apartment and sit down for the whole time. Your body was built for you to go and plant fruits, vegetable for the day work, catch your water from the spring, coming from the rock, go to the garden and pick up all the things that ripe from the garden, bring them back to the house, wash out your little clothes them by the river, put them to dry. Your body was made for these things. Your body wasn't made to stay in an apartment, you wash your clothes, you go right in a washing machine and put them in there, which is good, but you don't do nothing else. You sit down on the train, go where you go, you sit down coming back, or if you even stand up, it's not even enough. So, I mean, your body don't make for you to stay in an apartment and then eat the kind of food that we eat in a cans, like when we eat out a can, and other things. When not good for your body, slow up your joint, it slow you down naturally, so make you feel like you can't exercise, you feel tired, you feel lazy, it just make you not want to do nothing. But you have to fight it, because if you don't fight it, your heart will slow down, and you're not going to realize you're going to go to your bed, and the next day you're not going to wake up. You're going to sleep until your heart weak. You're going to sleep, and it will take a time when you're asleep, and just let go when you're gone. And you know, one sweet dream, and dream say they're in one place, and you're running to all these people, and if you long to man, and you're gone right out to your body, and you can't come back. Your heart is just too weak. So when you had a dream, you died and you're gone. When you wake up the next morning, now people come and I say, what happened? They say natural causes. Nobody can just die of natural causes. There's no cause, it's just natural. So I breathe a while ago like this. And all that you must be able, if you can do, feel a breath when you take it in, feel it, you must be able. Can your heart weak? No good. I'm just telling the truth, what I experienced, what happened to me. So if that happened to you, check yourself, you're going to realize your heartbeat is just too low and try to speed up yourself. Go to the living room, put on some music, whether you're going to dance, whatever you're going to do, and build yourself up. Otherwise, you could die, leave your kids and lie with your family. I don't care if I want to beat me a monkey, you know. One thing I tell them, I don't care if I want me a monkey, does dirty man, dirty Arab man. I don't care about monkey and your mama. I don't care because guess what, I love myself. And I don't care and get constantly crutches skin up from the country jerk off upon me. So that's why. So it doesn't matter which monkey, but you're over here watching the monkey. Get the fuck off from the thinking front, the lies in front. On a front full of fucking lies now. I don't have a nerve to come and call people monkey. You don't have a little bit of color. Jam will out of order. That's out of order, you know. Very out of order. Dirty fucking Israelite, dirty man. Get on your business. Just spell upon the nose to Ross. I walk on top about Saratina Turner. I come about Saratina Turner. They will come off here. Fuck, go my nigga. Fuck, you don't wanna go now. I tell you go, I'm done the work, go. Why the fuck you don't go? You think you're gonna come here and talk to me like the way you want to talk to me? I tell you, you can't get away. Away. You can't get away. You want to come here and try me? You want to come here and try me? Try me. Try me. Ha ha. When you come over here and talk no shit, that's what's gonna happen to you, my nigga. That's what's gonna happen to you, my dog, man. You talk no shit, gon' be no shit. Ain't no girl up no lyrics to that in the spit. Bitch, you talking a dick, you spit the same dick that you lick. Goddamn, you spit. Ain't no fucking with me needed, nigga, bitch. Hey, I'm gonna make it to Hollywood still, nigga. I'm hanging on till the night. Oh, it's after 10 o'clock still. You're hanging on for your fucking life. Shoot the sperm, but not in my eye. One time sperm making my eye red like a cry. This shit ain't a lie. You wanna come on Olivet team? We're gonna go to Hollywood, you know what I mean? Bitch, go and suck your dick. Wanna talk about you smell some shit. You never smell no shit when it suck the sperm out of the dick. Get off my page and fuck you, bitch. What the fuck you think? Your dog that itch. What the fuck off of here, man? See, I'm trying to make it to Hollywood. I'm trying to be good. This bitch wanna stop me. I say, bitch, go shubhood. My nigga, man. Rain and the rain and the pain and the same. Bitch wanna talk, they lose for the game. Just like a bird, the fuck I can't tame. They wanna chain me like a dog, but I ain't on no chain. Me, oh me, oh me, oh my. Bitch, your pussy so big, make a nigga cry. You wanna talk about the solid saliva? Oh, solid saliva, you wanna kill your life, bitch. Get a lifesaver, make your breath stitch. Talk about you wanna smell me, white bitch. You gotta move out of this motherfucking bitch place. This morning, look aside, the white bitch got a phone in her hand. She's walking her video the whole place like she looking for like she have a big plan. I dropped back in, I saw her with the phone. Bitch saw me and run back in. This bitch is walking around all day digging up her shit and video, and I don't know what the fuck she making a movie scene. I hope she leave though. She got 2 days ahead. If not, you're gonna know who bought her fucking bread. I know, remember what I tell you said. I know that, Olivet, why don't you go to your bed? Because we can go to bed when we feel like. It's Saturday night, bitch. It's Saturday night when I'm feeling right. I'm kind of hungry, but I don't think I'm going to eat them. Yo, no, I got to finish that rice. I got to finish that damn rice. I ain't going to throw that rice away. And I ain't going to warm it up tomorrow, but I ain't feeling right. But I ain't going to eat no more food tonight. Fuck that. I'm eating more food tonight. I ain't going to lie in that shit. I'm going to finish the last bit of rice. Because the belly going to be. That bit of rice got to go in on me. I'm sorry. You're going to have to work that back out. That bit of rice got to go, and that bit of rice is not going to throw the garbage just like that. Hell no. Money ain't come easy now. They want to tear you down. You know what I mean? You ain't got money like that. You ain't rich because you change your clothes. You got to change your clothes. Bitch, you can't walk around naked and same old clothes every day. That don't mean that you're rich. I ain't got shit, but then I got to change my clothes. They want to get mad because of the outfit. They realize I'm poor. Bitch, I ain't rich. Let me wear the fucking nice shit. But I work hard for my money, sonny. I ain't the time I got to dress so corny. Bitch, my life, where the rest of the shit is, man. The time I'm smoking this little some bunch, ain't done smoking this shit yet. Like, bitch, what you saving it for? Halloween? Halloween, ho? I like how you love me and I love you too. England, Toronto, you know I do. Jamaica, you know you're my home. Boy, the things that I'm hearing sometimes make me lame. Make my heart in pain. I feel sometimes a bit ashamed of the killing that didn't range. But I love you, Jamaica, that's my home. Jamaican guys, you pump the cock in my pussy right. Man, I wouldn't give up anything for a Jamaican guy just for the fucking night. When he got the right size and his all organic dick. Strike me and fucking suck on my nice lovely tits. Oh, bitch, you want to talk about this? Let's come again. Let me finish this shit. Because I'm not sitting in a game, son. Ain't a game, my nigga. Ain't no game. Hold up. Like I said, I got a bud live. Ain't a game, my nigga. Ain't a game, dog. You know, I'm up in this bitch. You know I love you. You know I love you, man. Olivet, love you. I love all of y'all, motherfucker. I love my goodies. I got one of my goodies, right? And I don't call her name, but she's a goodie, and she take care of mother, right? She always buy a little cream and a little stuff, and she's a real goodie, man. I love that girl. Yo, the girl called to her like, goodie, and in a long time we ain't talk. She's like, yes, yes, I love her. Yo, I love goodie. So excited, you know. Her voice, you know, she say like, you know, American, they say, yes, yes, you know, goodie cool as fuck. Goodie ain't in a dick, I walk around sucking dick. Goodie got a job. It's not all American bitches walk around and suck dick now. Don't get it wrong. I got some nice American goodies. Don't fucking have education and shit. They don't walk around sucking nobody dick. I'm talking about the fucking plant flower motherfuckers. Like the fastest in people's business. You know what I mean? Jamaicans suck dick. Americans suck dick. We all fucking suck dick. I suck dick at so many points. But the point is, I'm not doing that now. But I'm just saying that is not, you know, what I'm saying about some people thought you think I'm cursing American people. I'm not doing that. Because I love them. I got some nice goodies and I love them and they're American. Don't get it twisted now, motherfuckers. I got my goodies from the Bronx. God bless her soul. She sent $50 for me the last time. Good lady. Big her up if she's watching. God bless her. I love her. Pick her up. Big up Fat Pussy Catty. Big up her damn self. All of them, my goodie that came to see me the other day. That gave me over $50 tip. That come to see me. She come all the way and take taxi and come with her boyfriend. Come and bring her all the way here from Queens and things to see me. She probably didn't need stuff that much and she take me. God bless her. Big up yourself also. You know who you are. Big up your damn self. My goodie from Canada. Big up your fucking self, goodie. Big up yourself. All that on me love you know. I may appreciate it. I want to talk bad about on me too. I don't want black on you. Because you know why? People just, I mean, free to their opinion. But it's the way someone like overdo it. Another son is going to go and overdo it and I dig down and go on too much. That's why I can't stand. Like, you know, when you try to be a star too much, you got to go. But being a regular person, say you want. I mean, I like every black nobody because you all are my, you know, my people. Because you wouldn't be on my line if you wasn't my people. So just be nice. You don't have to be so fucking cruel, man. Because you're still here enjoying this shit. You can't be sucking a dick, spitting on it and sucking it and spitting on it and sucking it, spit back on the dick and suck on it and spit by the dick and suck on it, and then you're complaining to the dick stink. You're making it stink. The man shit you spit on it and spit on it how many times and lick it back off. I mean, you're making the dick stagnant. You're the one who's doing it. You know what I mean? So if you enjoy me, just enjoy the fucking thing and stop complaining, my nigga. If you have a fish, you take the fish, you put it out in the sun. You take the fish and put it somewhere. The fish is going to stink after a while, my nigga. Fish is going to spoil. It's just the same thing. You know, you keep fucking me after a while, I'm going to spoil. And I'm spoiling you, then I black you. I mean, it's the same shit. Gonna block you, my nigga. Yeah, because I love you, man, you know. Damn, my socks, man. I don't want to mess up my damn socks, man. These socks is nice socks, you know. I'll take these socks off, my nigga. Can you see these socks right here? I shouldn't put them on this damn carpet to dirty up my damn socks. Can you see bury all over this damn carpet? Can you see socks? Oh, man, I gotta ring some of these damn socks, man. I know these socks are some, my socks to wear my shoes for summertime, for outside for the summer. These are not socks for the house. They're my summer socks to wear outside, my little dresses and skirts. With my stocking and my socks, my heel shoes, man. I'm talking about some real Hollywood shit, my nigga. You know what I mean? Socks and gloves and hats and shit, you know what I mean? Bright color wigs, you know what I mean? This is one more pair of my socks right here, but this one I didn't open it yet. I got a black and white one, so I should have buy more though. I like these socks. Sometimes you wear all the shoes, you just want all the socks. I like these socks. Yeah, I buy them at the same place where I buy the jewelry. Place where I joined up with the last time. So these socks. And they're stretchy, see? Very beautiful socks. Yeah. Yeah. I like stuff like this. I like very weird stuff. I'm very weird. I like weird looking socks. I wear them with shoes, big heel shoes, summertime. And a skirt match, a top. You know, I just don't like to be like everybody else. That's just me. I know you can see that by my hair, how beautiful it is. Bitches want to talk, I would never sell my soul. Say the Holy Spirit of heaven, Jah, at the open door. I got to greet with my goddamn soul. Ain't no money on this earth, no vanity can take my spirit to kill me. To sit on diamond and gold, to look at it shining back at me when I ain't got no soul. I can sell it back to get my soul be old. So what you talking about, bitch? I would never sell my soul. I would stay in the ghetto and eat a candy. I suck a cane. But I'll never take cocaine to lose my brain. Remember what I say, I'm not insane. Pick sense out of nonsense, bitch, if you got a fucking brain. Where's the rest of this shit? Cause my brain can't tame. Motherfucker wanna talk about this. They wanna talk about that. Some of them always around. The way they fucking selling their pussy. And still they sniffing coke and smoking crack. Your body gonna die. You're gonna die before time. There's no way you keep selling that pussy to keep the coke going to your brain while it's sucking it dry. Bitch, you're gonna die. Anyway. Plant piece of corn down a gully. And a beer till he kill Pierre Sammy. Sammy dead, Sammy dead, Sammy dead, oh. They look like some bright people that move up. I see one piece of lamb sitting out there, so me a boom, 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 like my pack up and go, oh, up. Lord, enough in my place, I catch you, but devil, white devil, have to go. No, it's not too much white man, a real fucking dope in here at night time, you know. I witch that bumbo tongue, let me tell you. That bumbo tongue, they are a witch. I hope to God before they come, and then what's the next step is the next bigger step now, where you have to go face the big one after that if you don't take this one. So since you know so you're a criminal background, man, run and realize you're a criminal background, and you're thief and breaking entry, and have people place and they force you to do it. So now people know you have to go to them and answer to them why you're a fucking thief and why you're doing what you're doing. So the best thing you have to do, run now. Go on now, man. Go on now, bitch. Go on now, big bumbo red. Go on. Big bumbo red, you figure 100. Big bumbo red, you figure 100. Big bumbo red, you figure 100. Big bumbo red, you figure 1. The boy want to take it from the back. Can you say, oh, me put it fat? Break it, break it, break it, girl. Break it, break it, break it, oh, daddy. Oh, girl, make it suck it on top. Oh, stop it on the top. Whoop, 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 whoop. Oh, oh. Take your time, baby. Take your time. Take your time, baby. Oh, you're crying me. Take your time, baby. Take your time. Yeah, take your time behind me. Take your time. Oh, you're damn crying me. Take your time, baby. Take your time. Take your time behind me. You crying me. Oh, 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 oh. Lord of mercy, me have style for wine. Style but you can't spoil. Tell you what I'm coming and fucking up your powder and hile. Come me blessed for my pussy from since me was a child. Mother, you can't see no, you know, have a smile. Hello. Fuckers. Hello. Lord help me for I've sinned. Ay, ay, ay. What is fucking thing? I'm not smoke this thing. I'm going to turn up a chat. And I fucking sitting out of a minute. Chicks are sitting stupidness. I'm going to go straight to bed after this, and wash off them face and clean up. I'm praying on my bed, go sleep to God. Ask God to help me. Tomorrow's the next day. But might as well me smoke this one down because guess what? I'm going for this and I got my bed. Who don't like it, suck a full egg. You don't like it, girl, go and go suck a full egg. You don't like it, girl, go and go fucking drop dead. You don't like it, girl, go suck a full egg. If you don't like it, girl, go and go drop dead. If you don't like it, girl, go suck a full egg. If you don't like it, girl, you better drop dead. If you don't like it, girl, go suck a full egg. If you don't like me, go and go drop dead. The man who gets it daddy dead. That's why he must suck on the bed. You don't like it, girl, go and go suck a egg. And make yourself drop down dead. Alright. The light is a light and the right is a right. I'm going to bed and sleep all through the night. I love you. Mrs. Yellow Blonde is going to bed. That was a blue blonde. This is Yellow Blonde. Don't forget it, honey. You can't forget my $5 wig now. Don't you fucking try to talk about my shit, my goddamn it. As I spent my whole goddamn $5. $5 is money these days now, honey. Come on. $5, honey. I go right to the Indian here. That's how much you say, $130 for the Indian here. Wig and shit. I said, how much is that? $130. I look at them shit, they look like when dog was losing hair. I was like, nah. You know, it's not like I can't buy a good wig and shit, but come on. This shit look like dog, they fucking got, they losing hair. The fucking hair look like he got fucking mange. Why the fuck you gonna buy a brand new wig that look like he got fucking mange? Fucking mange. Wig got mange, lice in that motherfucker. The wig started to eat out already. You ain't fucking wear that bitch yet. And it fucking got hair losing like when dog got mange and started to lose their fucking hair. You want to spend $100 on what? On my mother crotch. What? It must be out of your goddamn mind. I'm going to take up goddamn $150, $200 to buy a goddamn wig that losing the hair. Imagine, the wig is fucking dead. It's not alive, okay? The hair is already dead and processed and color and all that shit. All right? So if when the hair was dead, the hair probably must be stiff. Because, you know, when you die, everything becomes stiff. So the hair should be stiff, straight, okay? Because the hair is dead, right? So dead hair is supposed to be straight. All right? You got the hair now, and they make the wig with it. And they bring it and sell it for all this bunch of money. And then the shit start to get napped up, and it just look ugly. Just look... If you look at the hair, you could tell us by the time water eat that shit or some coloring eat that shit. Oh, man, I saw this girl a couple of days ago. She got some pink hair in. And child, I tell you, girl, you need a couple pack of hair. She got, I don't know how long she got that, and she had a piece at the end, and it's so damn thin. It's so thin at the end, the piece that come down. And it's so nappy through the rest, just trying to hold on to like a part. I was like, no, girl, you need to take out the whole entire type of... I know how much money you already done spend, you already done rob you. But trust me, this shit ain't looking right. I mean, the ear was losing like dog shedding and shit, and nappy turned dreadlocks. You know? And I was like, no, I ain't going to spend no money buying no wig. And then in 2 days, the whole shit started shut out in the house. Like, you know, like you had some kind of mange, ear problem loss. And then, you know, your money just got on the drain. You bet you got a good money and buy a goddamn good wig for $600, $1,000 or whatever you're going to pay for it. And buy a good fucking wig. I tired of seeing these bitches wearing these little wigs that they're buying from these people. And all they have is a center part. That's it. The rest of it is fucking trash. You can see the part, but the hair is no good quality hair. It's just dry and trashy and not up on. I feel so sorry when you look around like everybody want to wear a center part. Everybody want to wear a center part. I mean, you don't have the hair. Just leave it alone. Some of all these girls have beautiful natural hair. Beautiful long hair underneath that shit. And they fucking braid it down and sew on this fucking shit on their head. And it all nappy and thin out. And the natural hair is way thicker. With a natural center part they can make. And I was like, why even waste time? If you don't have that much hair on your head, it's not like me that don't have hair, you know, or somebody that don't have hair. Why waste time if you have that much hair, putting a center part on top of your ear and you have a natural ear can make a part? That don't make no sense. That don't make no fucking sense, my nigga. You all only be getting a part. You're paying all that money just for a part and a scalp. That's it. Got the ear no good. It's not right. So when I look at it, I was like, nah. I ain't gonna have the money could have buy it. I was like, hell no. I see I'm a goodie at a goodie was buying. I was like, hell no. I walk into the store, I said, she get a wig, you have this one. She said, the yellow one. She said, oh, they finished, they're gone. Only one piece left. And this is not like a real wig that, you know, like with scalp. It's I can see it's white through the net or it make. But I was like, you know what, how much? It's like $5. I was like, let me have that, man. I can't laugh right now. I can't laugh right now. Yo, $5, my nigga. I was like, give me for $5. Because, you know the thing is about it, I know the kind of person I am. I have so much wigs. And I have so much different nice wig and natural wig. But to be a comedian, and to be funny, and to be different, you need different things to make up that own little thing that you want to make up. And things like this come in very handy for me because I got it yellow, you know what I mean? And I get to do what I want to do with it. And it's funny, so it's worth $5 for me. I don't buy it because it was only $5. I got good wigs that cost more money. But it's just because the color, it was only $5. I want the color. So it's all funny and everything is good about that, you know. It's very, very cool. So some other girls stand up in the store that were looking and they're probably like, damn, she's a cheap bitch. You know, why is she buying a $5 fucking wig and she never buy the Indian ear, you know? I know they're probably saying that, but to me, like, they don't know my business. I don't have to tell them my business. I know what I'm doing. You know what I mean? So good night, guys. I'm going. I love you. I see you tomorrow. Yellow Heart is still there, baby. What go on, mama? Oi. Kemisha. Howard. You still there, mama? Yo. I sleep on a blood clot sleep on the line. My gone, man. My love on here tomorrow. I sleep this thing off. Tomorrow I might feel better and come to the more conscious. I'll see. Tomorrow, yeah, I go be here and wash off this stuff. Eh? When this person go talk about say what? No. What the person say what? Love the ear color, thank you. You love the earring, thank you, goodie. God bless you. No, she not gone yet, goodie. She's still there. I see her way, Keisha. Tamika Brown, yeah, she's still there. Whoever invite you to here, if you don't like it, just fucking go. Who invite me to this? Get the fuck off. Who invite you to this and suck my big pussy? Get the fuck off this mother's cunt. Whoever invite you to this motherfucker and suck my big fat pussy and get the fuck off here. Who invite you to this? You don't have to be here. Get the fuck off. Yeah, good night. I'm gonna go rest myself, but I'm looking through my shit. I'm going. She's tired now, bedtime. I'm not tired. I get a good dick right now. I wake up a long time. Big up yourself, Tony. Big up Olivet. Yeah, soldier on a blood clot. You tell them pussy with box on them blood clot with a pan on their eye. Blessing, big love. Big love. Big up yourself to mama. Yeah, love you too. Yes, boo. Yeah, love you too. Love the cheer color. The ear color. Okay, love you too. Don't leave yet. Big up yourself, goodie. Go brown and black. Big up yourself, goodie, right? Yeah, big up your damn self. Yeah, nice. You like you, goodie. Big up yourself. Long time no see you. Big up yourself, goodie. God bless you. God bless you. Every color we go wear fit you. Big up yourself, goodie. Yeah, I love the color them. Cause them funny and make you laugh when me attack. It's just about being fun. It's not more than that. You look like my real ear. No, I'm my real ear, goodie. Love you, mama. One of a kind. Big up yourself, goodie. Thank you so much. God bless you too. Big up yourself. Big up yourself too. Much love. Blue buns, no sound. If you can't ears or in your ears, so I cock up in your ears. How much wax in your ears, you can't hear nothing. We mean no sound. It is really low for show, and I couldn't tell show. It is really low for show. And nobody never tell me. They really know if it's true. No, because I'm looking for the comment where I think is a big pussy bitch just made a comment, said this is what happened when you forget to flush the toilet. And I saw the comment just cross across my eye, and I was like, this big pussy bitch, your pussy is so stink, and that's how it smell when you forget to flush the toilet. Now, if you're going to comment somebody live and try to disrespect them, that this is what happened when you forget to flush the toilet. What the fuck? That is what happened when you forget to flush the toilet. That's all you come by. That's all you come with, that slang. Because a nigga just flush you like you forget to flush the toilet. That's what you are. Do not come over this fucking line looking for tension. Because if this is what happened when you don't flush the toilet, what the fuck you doing over here, bitch? Your big pussy smell like when shit in toilet and you forget to fucking flush it. So get your shitty ass pussy and get the fuck off this line with your shitty ass pussy, ma'am. Nobody called over here to open your pussy full of shit to show anybody or for us to smell it. We did not call it for attention. We didn't ask you for anything. You come over here and lag your fucking shit pussy over here. Your shit scunt as cunt is Trinidad. Your fucking shit scunt. You come over here with your fucking shit scunt now. Nobody call you here with your fucking shit scunt. You hear me, boy? You hear me, girl? And you come over here with your fucking shit scunt and trying to brainwash somebody. Nobody call you over here. You see what happened? When your fucking daddy had flushed you out his dick, your mama should have flushed you down the fucking toilet. But instead she fucking swallow and she get you. So that's what it is when you forget to flush the toilet. They get a fucking pest like you that come up to pest somebody like bug in their ass. But I tell you what, bitch, you're on the wrong road. You're on the wrong road to success, ma'am. Get off my fucking page. Some of y'all ain't got no fucking life. You sit here and you complain like you're sucking a dick and it stink and you don't know miss. If you stop sucking a dick that stink, you will stop smelling stinkiness. Come on. How you not know that the dick is stink and you complain and smell something stink and you're sucking a dick? The dick is what stink. Take it out your mouth and you will realize that the dick is what stink. Don't sit here sucking it and complaining. You sitting on this line, complaining and complaining, just like a stink dick in your throat. You would not take the fucking stink dick out your mouth and say, you know what? I'm smelling something stink. I know the fucking dick stink. I know it's not me. And I'm sucking the dick and I'm smelling something stink in my mouth and around my mouth and in my hands. So the dick stink. Okay? So I'm not going to take the shit out. I'm going to clean my mouth, clean my and run the nigga away. Instead, you sit there and suck the dick and you complain. Well, that's what you're doing on my line. You sit here and you fucking complain like you're sucking a stink dick and you do not want to let it out your fucking jawbone, my nigga. Come on, you can't be doing that, man. You sucking a dick and you know it stink, you let it go. Get the fuck away from it. You come on my page, you don't like it. Don't let nobody ain't holding you here. Why am I here? Why am I tagging this? I didn't fucking bring you. I'm not no demons to pull you out the fucking bed and bring you here, my nigga. You here because you fucking want to. You sorry ass motherfucking scunt. You know you want to. Don't fucking go over here and try to blame nobody like nobody doing you or something. I like it's a big mistake. Why am I on this line? Bitch, you on this line because you want a dick sucker. Because you want to whore. Because you want a dick sucker. You here because you want to. It is fucking Saturday night, my nigga. Saturday fucking night. Yesterday was my fucking birthday, my dog. Fucking sucking a dick and the dick stink and you ain't taking out your fucking mouth to complain. It stink. It stink. It stink. Fucking take it out your mouth if it fucking stink, bitch. Don't sit there sucking and goggling a fucking dick and it stink on your throat and you know you fucking can't breathe and you can't fucking breathe and you're hitching to get fucking life because the dick stink and you still ain't taking out your fucking mouth. That's what you all doing on my line. Sit here complaining, I want to be on the line, I want to go, I want to this, I want to go. Then fucking go. Ain't nobody paste you up on Olivet smelly wall. Ain't nobody tell her come sit here and paste up on Olivet smelly wall. Ain't nobody fucking call you, my nigga. Y'all don't need to fucking talk up for fucking ease your fucking breath when you come over here. Y'all motherfucker come over here and talk just to eat your all motherfucking breath. Because your breath been stink all along for all the dick you been sucking. Your breath ain't catch no fucking hair. But you gotta come over here to open up your fucking breath and the light. For everybody to smell your fucking breath stink of dick. Come on, man. Y'all bitches sucking dick so much your breath smell like fucking bologna. Why you think y'all fucking eat bologna? I don't even eat fucking bologna. I don't even eat that shit. Y'all eating fucking all kind of fucking bologna and ham and all kind of fucking ham shit. You fucking come over here to come try to beat me down, bitch. I dare you in this yellow wig tonight. I'm telling you, I'm a fierce bitch in this yellow wig. Yes, I'm a yellow queen princess tonight, honey. You're not gonna come and tear me down. Not after me take me get me $5 wig from so far in the city. I'm bringing way come to Brooklyn and come bring it to life. Make it can talk. Hello? No, sometimes you have to make them know, man. When I see you telling a guy you bed and things, me tell no, me come bring her down your now, bring me down a blood clot, my last breath, me take and tear down your fucking pussy tongue out of your hole. And the last breath, me I use and tear off your mama's gun, me start work out and get strong. Because I want me take time till my heartbeat get low on the blood clot, come here for D one of the mama's control, on a nasty blood clot. What the fuck is the tabo? Eh? Blood clot, white fall out there, video the place dirty like you don't know, so the place is dirty long time before me come here and worse. Fuck out of here, I wish I frighten nobody with. I wish I run come. Wish I come when she late, me nigga. She's so fucking late. If you go show this and show that. Anytime you see that man show the pal, I sue your blood clot and find you. Blood clot out of here. Smell like blood clot, white dog. When I have beard all long, smell frownsy and moldy like blood clot, Rex. Rex now beard fucking take hose and put soap and wash down Rex and I saw that Rex smell. Blood clot, moldy like a dog gonna ride my dog and I talk about you clean up, put on over your nose and walk up and down. When you're there to blood clot, I can't see the man out the road, sitting up on the nose, attention to the people, but I actually run. I mess with the blood people are looking and say, what, you know? Up and down. Like if I find next man if you trick down the block or something can keep going on. So I put on my clothes and take time I hide and follow man swim I go up and say nah. If you see me go call and talk about me this and that, but I not see what way up to next. And many people them know say no, that's a danger you're taking in. So but you know I'm just making go on. Cause I know what people can do, you know what I mean? You know, so you can't fucking watch my go and see them talk to and go right back after them go talk to the same person. I met the person about him. They don't know that man. Yeah, don't fucking do that shit, man. I love it too, man. Yeah, Karina, Berry, big up yourself, Berry, Karina, Berry, Berry, what the man? Berry eat up and she happy also. But I don't really keep her in the room too much no more. She will come in and look for me and so, but she don't really sleep when I'm more so again because she may have the jewelry and so in here on the table. I have the jewelry on here on the table in the room. I make my cream and something so I can't barely sleep around here. Come around here smell like no cat and them sitting in my room. So she make the bed out in the living room. She had the whole living room for herself. And she come around when I come, she just sleep over here until she spend the night. When I show up on the camera, she never spend the night. After she get up like a ball, I swap my letter out. So I don't know, so she get used to that bed, make fair out in her own corner, food or water, make sure everything out there. You know, so we can't lock my door. Because I don't want in here smell like no cat because sometimes you can't smell the cat. But they carry a little smell and you might not smell it, but other people come in and will smell it. I must have jewelry on the table and something in here. So I'm going to really harbor in here because the jewelry on the table, like you can see, I may get more. Because when by the time get warm, they go very fast. By the time I come out there and say, people come and meet me, but there's such and such corner, everybody just come and pick up the jewelry on the table, clean them and come back in just to meet me and pick up everything. If me I go do that, I may have supposed to go check some of my friends them. We have a restaurant and then we go down there because down they're busy. And a far from right on the block. Then I was buy from it too. Then we go down there and check them man. You know, when the summertime I do everything in a good, I don't sit in one place. I do everything when I go out there and someone out the hat. And we can go right on the block by my friend them. So much people are full up the restaurant, so much people come in the money. Buy people and we can tell people meet me there and pick up a bunch of sitting in 31 minutes, 2 hours, 3 hours, everything gone. Then a crowd of people come out here, nothing, and I say, but the right of the museum, a crowded, big crowd. You see all today, the crowd out there? And not somebody you can imagine, it crowded bad. It crowded more than last year. Because the police have to come out for the traffic for people cross and help with the road and so today I was like, whoa. Yeah, fucking out order. Blood clot. Make your papa flash out your blood clot. They can't flush it down. I hear the blood clot shit. Your papa must flush down and come out from a blood clot line. What now one up on here? No blood bad now one up on a blood clot. You understand me? Bad mind fucker. I see you tomorrow, guys. I love you. Because I know for the bad man and fire, they want to share everything. I better me come up and look at nobody not share. Watch and see. I watch the pussy wall them. When they want to come blood clot, use you for blood clot crowd. I use you for the live and shit. They don't know the blood clot, nothing on this. Suck your mama and come off and say, you be a real friend or you're not a fucking real friend. That's it. I don't have time for no blood clot, fucking blood clot, bed bug, blood clot chink. I have no time for blood clot chink, my youth, I tell you straight. Time I'm hungry, you know, food. I don't have nothing nice in there, so. You can post the whole and think people are joke with them, my lord. Belly kind of big, but no, and there's the fucking rice, no, because, yo, food not coming, no life not coming easy. Take my rice and that's my rice. I'm going to my bed hungry. And if the rice, I'm not going to eat it again tomorrow, mate. That's why I try to damage it now. That's what I try. If I go right in the garbage, I don't want to waste it. But you know not much sardine left in there. We eat more right after I hang up on. Huh? Starting real taste good. It's starting done, you know. So what my next can I but I'm so much trying to start now one night. Where's that can come from? Guess what you about? And I started done. Yes, my love. I don't have time for them fucker. Jam with the outer all. I eat much better. I close my mouth. I didn't have to close it. I just open it. No, good man. Can't cook. Man, can't cook. I can't cook food to me. Good food, good man, I can't trust. No fucking man, I can't trust. I'm gonna be like this every day. When I'm up online or not. Best on it. Ah, damn it. Fuck you, man. Listen to me, man. I'm blood clot boy, I cock if you suck, you hear me? What's wrong? Yeah, I really hear that. I really hear from my front too. Pussy, you them yellow. See them like this, nothing. Wanna see them? Cucumber, scotch bunny pepper, rice and peas, a bit of sardine, rice done now. Listen. Cucumber them. I got you. I got you. Anna Brown is black. You hear? Anna Brown or black, honey, is black for you. Black. Not brown. I love it too, honey. Big up yourself too, honey. Davis, big up your damn self. Big up your goddamn self as well. I love life. Nobody knows stop me from love life. The garbage. Done.
No, look like Agbati. Agbati wall. Agbati. 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 Why? Agbati wala. Agbati wala. Yes. Fuck. Yes. Come on. Come on. Come on. You wanna fuck with me, nigga? You got astray. Fuck with me. I get you flat like a bomb in a pot, like my granny used to make. I used to like it hot. I guess you don't know the lyrics that I chat. Simple birds gonna kill you like that. You wanna keep on talking like the dog keep on barking. But the money down my look while the shit keep on forking. The devil with the fuck, they wanna stop me in the back. But I worry about them when them sit down and chat. They twist up their tongue as they try run me down. Like a gravy, they fit like a fish gravy dripping from them tiny tongue. Who on the first lane, who on the last? Who wanna get fucked up with this glass? You see me now, my life is a heavy task, but I'm seeking first. I wanna leave it in the past. Now it's past time to make it real. Motherfucker, this is the real deal. You wanna shoot me down with steel. You want my